Everybody, how we doing? Happy earnings day. Woo! Today's going to be a fun day. Hopefully everybody's having a good morning. Another crazy day. It's going to be in the market. So SPY's down about 0.4% right now. We got AMC up a little bit, about 1.22% of head of earnings. Not too bad. And then we got TLT coming down. If you guys held any of those Oxy calls overnight, the oil play, it's still in play. So I guess I just kind of missed the week on oil, which is fine, I guess. Maybe we'll get a little bit more Occidental today. But we'll see what happens with it. Hopefully you guys are crushing it on the oil play. We got GME down about 0.68%. We got AMC earnings today at 5 p.m. Eastern that I will most likely be streaming it. Oh boy, it's going to be a fun day. How you guys doing? Nobody got me. We're good here. Oil is ripping. Yeah. Yep. All right, people. As you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream as well. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Let's go. We can't predict the squeeze, and even it's like a short squeeze. All right. Why is everybody talking about like squeeze now? Like everybody chill out. Ortex gave out a short squeeze signal, but like their data's wrong. Like I'll tell you right now, Ortex's utilization data, freaking nonsense. So they're using that data to say, hey, we're generating a short squeeze signal. And it's like, okay, well, that doesn't make a whole lot of sense. But let's see here. Let's go on a moon mission. There we go. What's up, William? How you doing, buddy? I say they'll try to attack us in their earnings. It's possible. Here's the thing that a lot of people don't understand, which is and are not getting with earnings. Every single time we've had earnings in the past, like a lot of the other, like a couple of the ones in the past, they've been after we've had a big run up. So we were at much higher prices. Did the earnings justify being at those prices? Well, at that time, most likely not. Right now, though, so earnings has been getting better. Price has been coming down. So if earnings comes out and is better than what the current market cap or trading price is of AMC, we will go up. That's what I want you guys to all understand. Like, just because in the past that we've seen, oh, AMC's fallen sometimes on earnings, well, it's also ripped and then come down when they try to attack us. It's equally as possible that we see an aggressive move back to the upside just because of where we're trading at right now. So, Keith is in here today. Here we go. We have had at least 3 previous signals. Yeah, and Ortex type 3. Yeah. So here's the thing about Ortex short squeeze signals. Every single time we've had a giant run up, there's been an Ortex short squeeze signal, but not every time there's been an Ortex short squeeze signal, there's been a big run up. So what do I think on puts on Russian ETFs? Careful. It could get gnarly. If they announce a ceasefire, your puts are going to be 0. All right, folks. So SPY's coming up here a little bit. Hold your horses. What's going on here? I don't see anything on the news feed, but SPY's getting a little bit of a bid over here. Oxy looking all right. Amy up 1.22. Let's do a little bit of a quick Ortex update. Just kind of see where we're at. With estimated short interest. That's kind of really all I care about right now. That sometimes days on loan and stuff like that as well. So 20.13% estimated short interest, 103 million shares estimated to be short, shares on loan, 115 million. So they got like 12 million shares that they could potentially use against us. And again, cost to borrow low. It doesn't make any sense to have 100% utilization with low cost to borrow. They would honestly be the dumbest institutions of all time if they had, like, there were no shares, a low inventory, and they were charging a low price for that. That would be silly. Let's see here, though. Ukraine's application for the European Union has been accepted. Oh, is that the news? Let's see. Jason says, Vix, are you concerned if AA doesn't blow the roof off of earnings, the slash short narrative that will give shorts the go-ahead to knock us down and breaking spirits? People are tired of the daily BS. If you really understand the play, there's nothing that can happen really in terms of, like, I think Adam Air is going to be fine. Unless there's something terrible that happens during earnings, which I highly doubt, then literally it's going to be like a morale booster. So if the shorts come out and attack on earnings, the shorts are doing exactly what we expect them to do and have assumed that they're doing for a while, and that's what gives the play potential. And in my mind, I would just be like, oh, it's a buying opportunity, and now it can go even higher. That's how I view it. I think on my screen now, the members are now highlighting back in the green. That's interesting. So now I get to see the members easier. A lot easier. So shout out to all the members of the channel. You guys are awesome. Let's see here. Oil pumping again this morning. God, Maybe we'll get some Occidental or something. I don't know. Okay, so SPY's about to get a 1348 cross in the pre-market. 1908 on Amy. Let's see if we can get that Don Julio 1942 today. If we close above 20, we'll have oil, we'll have earnings and ankles. Hope they announce a dividend. They won't. Adam Aaron in the Q2 earnings, which came out in like August or July or August of last year, said at the minimum it would take them until that time next year, which is now this year, to consider a dividend. So they're not gonna do that. Let's see. All right, folks. Yeah, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. Today's going to be a crazy day. We want to give enough people a spot to watch Amy. Come on, Spy. What are we going to do here today? We're going to be trading the nuts out of the market. Well, actually, where's Lucid right now? Lucid earnings. I mean, it's down 11%, but my contracts are it's still within market expectations, so Lucid might be a dud. I mean, I'm gonna hold the play until the end of the week just to kind of see, but Lucid looks like it's gonna be a dud. Let's see here, people. All right. Let's see what we got going on here. The tweeter. Yeah, Ukraine's application for EU membership has been accepted, but like I feel like that would piss Russia off, right? Like what I don't understand. Like wouldn't that cause more conflict that now if they're part of the EU and then Russia attacks them, the EU is going to come and attack? I don't think that's the smart. I don't know. I'm not a foreign policy expert, so I have no idea. Bill Ackman says it's time for U.S. troops to defend Ukraine instead of real red line. Okay, that's just silly. Bill Ackman, shut up. Nobody wants your puts to print this time, Bill. All right. Citadel. Oh my God. Yeah, so that Citadel stuff's pretty interesting. The report that they came out with yesterday, it's interesting. Ho Clap 64. Welcome to the membership, man. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. I appreciate that. Shout out to all the members. You guys are awesome. Got 5K in dry powder. Where to shoot it? EU is monetary, not military. Oh, smart. Okay, that's fair. I didn't know that. All right, people. Let's see what we get going over here. We have Amy at 1907. We got Spy Flicker. I mean, it got a nice little pop here, flickering around though. Still down about 0.39%. Lucid down 12% over here. Lucid could get pretty selly today and the rest of this week. So let's see what happens if my contracts get IV crushed. They will, but we'll see what happens with it. That's kind of what you got to deal with on earnings. Let's see what we get here. EU's economic partnership, NATO's military partnership, two different things. Thank you. I mean, I was just thinking like European Union, like they're all kind of together. I didn't realize it was only economic. Long-time listener, first-time caller, Clap 64. Appreciate that, buddy. Let's see here. DJ D-Wall. Thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Just wanted to say thanks for the live streaming today and teaching me how to trade in the market. I've learned a lot from you, DJ D-Wall. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. Hopefully you're crushing it with 1348. Yeah, also, guys, if you do want to get access to that Discord, like literally, it's March 1st. The beginning of the month is literally the best time to join the Discord. You get the most value, you get the most time. Make sure you guys check that out. You're going to get access to all the live streams. We're doing daily market hours live streams now. We got all the alerts on the stocks when the 1348 is crossing. So make sure you guys check that out. Hit that like button, people. Robert, appreciate that, buddy. Thank you. Let's see. So let's check GME's or text really quickly. Bing bong. The prices are wrong still, but let's see what happens. Shout out to Trade Spotting. So 18.1% estimated short interest is still very, very, very high in terms of what GameStop has been like on average over the last 6-7 months. 2.68% average cost to borrow. Again, it's coming down, and it doesn't make a whole lot of sense for that to happen. I mean, there's only 800 shares borrowed today, so we'll see what happens with GameStop's cost to borrow as we go into later in the day. Oh, Ben Levine, what's up, buddy? I saw a post highlighting the last page on 420 million withdrawals, but I don't know if they have every year. Can you check? No, that's not every year. Well, yes, they will have a bunch of withdrawals. But 420 million compared to the amount of assets that they actually hold, it's not that much. We gonna make some money today? G4 trading? Dude. I think it's likely. We got to see where the money's going to go. Like, what's Lockheed doing? Like, Lockheed's coming down. What's oil doing? So these are the things that I'm looking for. Oil. Oxy's holding up really good. What's USO up on the pre-market over here? Like USO. I mean, the USO's up 3.66%. Like, there's a lot of things that are winning today. There's going to be some things that are losing. So let's check like DraftKings. We traded a lot of DraftKings, Uber, some of these lower price stocks with cheaper option chains where if you see a big move, honestly, like on DraftKings and Uber and a couple of these other stocks, the option chain seems to be mispriced for like what we're getting on it. Like we all see like, all right, the stocks can move like a couple of dollars, but the options aren't priced for that. So that gives us an opportunity to buy these contracts and then we're good to go. How do you become a member? There's a join button somewhere down there, but you guys don't have to if you don't want to. That's just for the people that want to show extra support for the channel. But thank you guys. Let's see. You have USO calls from yesterday, Ben Yavine, you motherfucker. Target looking spicy. Oh, Mara and Riot. How's Riot doing? Are we getting a? Oh, there it is. Dang, should have held those riots, but that's okay. So let's check Bitcoin really quickly. Where's Bitcoin at? BTC. That's Blue Sky Digital. I'm a complete idiot. BTC, Bitcoin USD up another 3%, coming down a little bit here, but Bitcoin could be a play today. So like on Riot and Mara, that could be pretty interesting. So how's Mara doing in the pre-market? Mara, holy shit, up 8%. Damn. Damn. If you guys were holding any of those contracts overnight, good for you, man. The Oxy and the, what do you call it? The Oxy and the Riot and Maras were nasty. So in my mind right now, even though we're seeing like crazy increases, like these probably would have been 1,000% gainers if you held the Maras from yesterday or the riots. Still in my mind, it's safer to not hold things overnight or lock in profit, leave a contract as a runner, leave 2 contracts as a runner, like 5-10% of the initial position that you have, but it's free and you're good to go. That's probably what I will try to continue doing going forward, making stuff free. 50% on Lucid yesterday. First time I used the 1348. There you go. All right, folks. So SPY's flicking around over here. There's going to be a lot of opportunity today. Again, call out any sector that's running. So we're going to have oil, defense, semiconductors. I mean, indexes, SPY. What was the other one? Bitcoin, Mara, Riot. We could get some of those. Let's see here. Ho, daddy. Thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. TA and Ortex on IMPP. Happy earnings day. Oh my God. I almost don't even want to look at IMPP. That thing is probably up like another 20% right now, at least. Oh, wow. Just kidding. It's down 9%. Well, this thing, this Imperial Petrol, has been really ripping over the last couple of weeks. So it does need a little bit of a cool off. Like if you look on the 4-hour chart, like look at this thing. Like ever since the 18th, it's just been moon mission all the way back up here. Now it is starting to come back down, testing the 13 EMA on the 4-hour. So if it gets a nice bounce off that, that'd be good. But the 4-hour MACD is starting to cross down. So you're getting a little bit of like a momentum shift in IMPP and checking it out on Ortex. Let me see over here. If it even gives us anything, it may not. Nasdaq, it should. Nothing over here. What are 3.2 million estimated shares currently sold short. That's a lot. Really high cost to borrow, 100% utilization. So they are shorting it right now. That could be an interesting one, but it already also has made a run. So that could be the shorts coming in, waiting for it to get up so much and then trying to knock it down. Mullen. What's up with Mullen this morning? I'm worried about you guys with your Mullen. I'm worried with all you mulling around. Oh man, up another 7% today. Woo, baby. Mullen's gotten up there. Yeah, I played Lucid. Looks like it's gonna be a dud, but we'll see. Haven't been this excited about Amy opening in a while. Ooh, baby, here we go, people. SCB, don't go to class. Don't worry, I won't. I do have a test on Friday though that I have, or an exam that I haven't studied for, but the teacher's giving us the 4 essay questions and we just got to research them, I think, before and then write about them. We're going to pick 2 and then we're good to go. So I think I'm going to be all right. I'm just YOLOing now because I just don't like, I can't. I think about any single time I sit down to do schoolwork, I literally want to bang my head against the wall and I'm like, this is useless. I'm wasting my time. And that's where I'm at. So SPY doing its thing over here. 1908 on AMC. Mullen hit $2 earlier. Jesus Christ. Josh talked about BITO last night, Bitcoin play. Like Josh answers. Yeah, I like Mara and Riot just because the chains are going to be a little bit more liquid and they can be runners. I haven't seen BITO. Oh, Bitcoin ETF. Interesting. I didn't know this was interesting. What's the chain look like? Oh, it's not bad. Huh. I like this. Okay, so we can look at BITO today too. So we're going to have Mara, Riot, and Bito. SPY's coming up here. Oh, man, this could be a fun day, huh? Uh. Da, 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 da. What if you turn in your test and the professor is like, "Bing bong, your essay is wrong"? Nah, I don't think they would. Bing bong, your attendance is wrong. My boods. I mean, Ben, the SPY's still down a little bit right now, so you're all right. You're all right. So you could still be all right. Let's see. Oh, William. Thank you so much for the super buddy. I really appreciate that. Josh from Trading for Yeah, Josh answers. That's the boy. That's dude. I used to listen to Josh all the time for like a year straight. That's like I knew like a lot about like option stuff before, but then after listening to him for like a year straight, that's where I like honed everything in, and that's where the earning strategy comes from. I tweak mine a little. Well, no, the actual holding through the event, I do basically the same. I think is the strategy, but the run up, I play a little bit differently. I think sometimes he likes to go closer to the date. I like to give myself a little bit more time because you never know. I go like 2 or 3 weeks before, 2 to 3 weeks after. So get the contracts 2 to 3 weeks before, expire 2 to 3 weeks after. So it's all monthly expiration dates. And then you got to like there's a little bit more that goes into it, but the DOJ should investigate the SEC. Fair. I mean, the SEC is just like the institution that just can't do anything. Like, what are they going to do? Throw out fines? They don't care. You're literally trying to find people that like make money, like literally for a living. They just generate money. They're money printers. So then it's literally like trying to give a parking ticket to a billionaire that like just wants to park his car in the front, and he's just like, all right, cool. He's like, yeah, whatever, bro. I'm just gonna park my car in the no parking zone because you're gonna give me a $100 ticket, and I'm literally in my mind just paying $100 for parking. Like that's literally how they're viewing this. We get any numbers yet? Is it tonight? No, no, no. It is tonight. Yeah, he's very knowledgeable. Yeah, dude, he's solid. Josh is really good. Spy wants to give AMC more tailwind. I mean, if the Spy comes up, we could have a good day, people. We could have a good day. William, thank you so much for that super buddy. I appreciate that. Getting some nice crypto gains this morning. This is an indicator for AMC. We're gonna print. I mean, hopefully that'd be pretty sweet. Amy's flickering around a little. Where's my 200 EMA over here, huh? Oh, it's down here. Sorry, freaked out a little bit. Been having fun and making money with you, even though you don't like when I say lies, lies, lies. It's because you spam and it's annoying sometimes, William. You annoy me sometimes, but it's okay. It's okay. I know you mean well. I know you mean well. Gave myself some time on the March 11th Lucid Triangle. It could go either way. Yeah, depending on how far out of the money you went and how much time you have, you might be all right. Mine is not good, right? And it's fine. I mean, I literally got one contract either side. It's dirt cheap. I think I spent like $100 something. It's fine. I'll survive. You annoy me? No, I don't, Alex. No, I don't. You're listening to me live stream, and there's no way that's possible. Yahoo won't let me check on AMC. Okay, don't whatever. Vix goes disappointed dad all of a sudden on Willie. Nah. Did you go 30% out of the money on the Lucid Strangle? That's what I should have. Honestly, I might have. Or something like that, something crazy. Because what the market was pricing in was like 16%, and the strategy says, in my mind, it's like double, so 2 standard deviations. But I don't know. I just went for what was cheap and what I thought was like reasonable. I didn't really use the numbers because in this earnings cycle right now, everything is overpriced on the option chain going in. So it's like there's not really much that you can do. It's like, all right, you got to kind of bite the bullet here. And if you want to play them, you can go with the next week. You could do it. But Lucid was in the beginning of the week on a Monday. So I was like, there's a little bit more time. So I don't know. We'll see. Where's it at now? I mean, it's down 12%. Lucid. Yeah, 12.28%. I mean, I don't know. We'll see. Remember to hit the like button so more people can see the video and learn how to be an ape. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys engage with the content. Hit that like button on the stream. It helps out a whole lot. Let's see. Let me shoot this link over to TMI real quick. Sorry. What do we got going here, people? DM do a screenshot of the downtrend line of the SPY over 438.50 could bring upside. If you can't break that, huge downside. Okay, Ben, I'm down for that. USO play might be. By the way, I like how you take time to actually really answer a question. I try, man. I mean, that's the goal here. I try to like not like a lot like people are like, "Oh my god, you're just going to read the supers." And I'm like, "No, I don't do that." Uh, you tell me if I did good. $32 calls and $24 puts on Lucid for March 11th. That's next week. You're fine, I think. I think you're good on that. I honestly think you're gonna be all right with that. Because what's it at right now? 25.36, $36 out of the money. That's not bad, man. I think you're all right. Um, you got some time on it. The best ones happen when you go get more time and then the contracts shoot in the money. Like the Facebook that I had, drunk play. That was insane. Whoa, Brian, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Today is AMC earnings and my birthday, crushing it with 1348. It's gonna be a great day, people. Dude, Brian, I'm really happy about that. Again, guys, this is the best time of the month to get access to the Discord, the premium side. You get access to everything. You get a whole month. We literally crushed it last month. Everybody was printing. Well, I mean, I wouldn't say everybody because it's hard to do that with so many people in there. But the vast majority of people are making a significant amount of money with this trading strategy when retail investors in the market is not giving people an opportunity to easily make money. So congratulations to all of you that did make a bunch of money. But yeah, make sure you guys are getting in there. I want to see you guys making money. That's really what it is. Like when you guys come in here and you're like, oh, I'm printing, dude, that's the best thing ever. Spy's coming back up. AMC 1909. Here we go, people. We're not trading today. We playing Mullen. I'm not gonna play Mullen, man. I don't like chasing stuff. I don't want to get rug pulled. I just really don't. That halt down yesterday scared me, but then it came back up, showed some strength. I don't know, man. I don't know. It's scary. It's a little scary. Happy birthday, SB. It's not my birthday, but thank you guys very much. You're making money, Luigi. Woo! There you go. SoFi moving up into earnings, just hit 12. Are you saying for after hours, Amy earnings? Yes. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna leave the stream up for after hours. So what I'm gonna do is in the after hours stream. So typically we end it at 4. I'm just gonna leave it on. So we're gonna just go all the way through. So maybe I'll like get up, go to the bathroom or something, get another energy drink, but I'll leave the stream on and we'll see like what's going on. And then at 5 is when the call is, and we'll be on for that. So I'll be on for earnings. We'll be streaming it. Hopefully you guys are ready. It's gonna be fun, man. Like earnings is gonna be a fun time. Like we get to hear from AA. It's gonna be good, man. I don't know if it's gonna be. I think it's gonna be good, but we'll see. Happy birthday, you guys, Brian. There we go. How do you think AMC's announcement of using Dogecoin and Shiba Inu will impact their price? Like AMC's price or Shiba and Dogecoin's price? Happy earnings day. Okay, option new. When I buy a call option, when I want to exit, do I buy the shares? No, 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 no. You can just sell the contract. You're just trading a derivative. You're just trading something that it derives its price. It's like buying and selling a stock. It's very similar, except you. So what I like to think about with options is that it's trading, except you're just essentially using leverage. That's all it is. It's just leverage. So when people then want to buy options on margin, I'm like, oh my God, you have the risk tolerance of a down bad gambling addict. Like it's crazy. See, Dakota, the way that you say that really makes me want to buy calls. Like if I see everybody coming in here today and their expectation is, oh, earnings, it must drop, I literally might buy calls. I will go against the market the expectation of retail investors and buy calls on AMC's earnings. Like I said, I wasn't going to play their earnings, but if everybody's going to come in here and be like, damn it, now everybody's going to come in here and be like, oh my God, it's earnings. It's just going to drop. Like, especially now when we don't realize that like we're at a lower price, the earnings are getting better. We've been reacting to positive fundamental news recently. If we get good positive fundamental news, we could go up. I might just do it because screw it, you know? Justin, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. SV, been with you since the early days when Rogue is around too. You've done a great job building your channel and presentation, especially for a young guy. We all appreciate your time. Justin, man, I appreciate that, Justin. Thank you so much for that nice super, man. That was super generous. You have the risk tolerance of Ken Griffin? No. You have the risk tolerance of Gabe Plotkin or Bill Huang or long-term capital management or Lehman Brothers. Like the list goes on. Or that guy on Wall Street Bets where like he YOLOs his like a lot on Apple calls and then it like or Apple whatever it was on earnings and then it's a dud for him and then he's just sitting there watching his phone. He's just like let's see. Now that everyone will do it just to get you to buy yeah, I know. That's why when I said that, I was like, "Damn it." I'll spend 30% of my 1348 earnings from today on at the money calls. I mean, there you go. Earnings should be before the market opens so we can get in. No, no, no. I like, um, after close earnings. Oh, no, stop it, Noah. Stop. Let's see. Stop it, Noah. Now everybody's just gonna try to get me to buy calls. Guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on your way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for the support recently. It helps out a whole lot. Let's see. Well, my puts. All right, fuck you, William. All right, maybe I'll do something small. I'm not getting any puts on it though. Maybe I'll just say screw it. He YOLO'd a lot of leverage on those Apple options. Yeah, I know he did. And it's just the sound heard round the internet investing community. Good news, red candles. It's the SV's flicker. Stop it. Stop it. I know what you're doing. I know what you're doing now. SB is on house arrest or is he free? Find out today at market close. I mean, I won't go anywhere. It's not like I have to go anywhere for earnings. I just like control the narrative. Oh, yeah, that's who it was. All righty, folks. We got about 34 minutes until the market opens. Let's see what we're gonna get today. Hopefully, we get a little bit of fun, little bit of a fun time today, huh? What time is earnings release? So we'll get the numbers before the call. The call's at 5. So usually it's like 4:05, 4:10, 4:15, 4:30 are when they come out. And then we get the call. To this day, he is still making payments. Oh God. Oh God. Yeah, I'm not exactly SoFi. Okay, so you guys are talking about SoFi. SoFi does have earnings today, I believe, after hours. So if SoFi's making a move, SoFi's coming up a little bit in the pre-market over here. So honestly, with SoFi making this move at heading into, did they already announce? No, after close Tuesday. So here's the deal. If SoFi's going to rip a lot into earnings, one, I would usually get more on the put side if I'm going to play their earnings. But SoFi's also fallen a lot. So is it ripping up to higher levels where the the valuation doesn't make sense? Or is it just coming back to a level where it's like, okay, investors are cool with this? I don't know. We got to take a look at that. So like, how's it looking on the 4-hour chart? And it's coming back to decent levels. Like, when was the last earnings? Like, when you look at the last earnings they had, it was way the hell up here, and it was a nice little gap up here. So 20 to 24, that's not bad. This one, little gap down here, 17 to 14. Oh man. Oh man. Okay, so we'll play SoFi earnings today. Might as well, man. Right? So maybe I won't trade SoFi during the day, but I will play their earnings just for funsies. Oxy sell if I'd open, then bounce back up. I think so too. Well, what do you guys like to use for oil prices, like WTI crude? Because in like Brent, because the thing that I was using was like bad. Is it investing.com is a good one? I feel like that's not bad. I feel like that's gonna give me like real-time commodities. That's what we need. Gold, WTI crude. Oh, April expiration. It's at 100? Oh. What? It's at 100? Dude, I told you. WTI crude over 100. Man, there we are. Let's see here, folks. And so far, happy earnings day. Do you think they may be saving up all these shorts for today and tomorrow? It's possible. It's possible. That's what made the trade so epic. Most of all, it was margin. Dude, it was not an epic trade. It was an absolute dumpster fire of silly financial risk and terrible risk management. Like, that's just not what you want to do. Let's be oil barons today. Okay, fine. Maybe we'd be oil barons and like crypto heads where we just like buy, what is it? Bitu? BIT. What was it? The ETF, Bitcoin ETF. What was it called? Somebody was talking about it earlier. I forget. It began with a B. You fomented the Mullen yesterday at 142, bought $5,000 worth of call options. Well, oh my God, David, you're gonna print. Shib running. There you go. Beto. That's what it was. Thank you. Chain looked good. The option chain looked decent. So here's mostly what I'm gonna be watching today. So, 1, SPY. Not actually, just kidding. SPY's not an expiration date today. I'm gonna be a little bit more hesitant with trading SPY. Just putting it out there. I like SPY much more on expiration dates. More risk, more reward. Um, then I'm gonna be looking at the Bitcoin ETFs and the Bitcoin stocks. So Riot, Mara, and Beto. Oil stocks, Oxy, USO, and maybe even natural gas if it's lagging and it's going to go on a little bit of a moon mission here. So natural gas is lagging a little bit. It's up 1.93%. Now, what's natural gas doing over here? Natural gas is up 1.54% in the right now, according to like in general, like the actual natural gas numbers. So if that starts to go here today, maybe we'll go with that. And defense stocks. So Raytheon, Lockheed, we'll see what happens with those. With WTI over 100, a big mental level. Yeah. Yeah. Let's get that lotion ready for ankles. All right, guys. It's very possible that if we close above 20, you're going to get ankles and earnings. New highs on Oxy. Oh man, Oxy's just I think we'll see what happens with it. I mean, it had an awesome day yesterday. I don't know. I think Oxy could be pretty good. We'll see though. Yeah, also, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. We want to get this out to some more people. It's earnings day. We want to have some fun. I'm hyped up. It's going to be a good day. Let's see what happens here, people. People. All righty, folks. All righty. 21 breakout point. Yeah, 21's a pretty big like breakout level. Just because of like where the 200 EMA is. Amy earnings. Here we go. All right. Oxy, not new highs, but like, you know, I mean, how's it looking on the 4-hour? Dirty. Absolutely dirty on the 4-hour. Oh, man. Wow. Wow. Occidental Petroleum, you absolute freaking beast. So let's see what happens with this thing. Talking ankle seems good. The ankles thing went from house arrest joke to an OnlyFans. Yeah. Wow. See, this is weird now. Like now everybody just wants to see my ankles. It's so strange. LMT to see new all-time high. It's not, it's what's the all-time high on it? 52-week high, 433.90. Oh yeah. Probably. I think it already did, didn't it? No, 442.53. So I honestly, the calls that I had on it yesterday were like 440 and 445, I think is what I had. And then I took them out at a little bit of a loss because it just wasn't looking good yesterday. But if it runs again today, I mean, I will put a big amount of money on it. So because it's just the amount of dollar moves that it can make is just it's solid. So it's down a little bit over here. I do like Lockheed more on the end of the week. What do you think about fuel cell for a play today? Trey's mustache really depends on what's going to go on with like 1348. So crossed here. I mean, I wouldn't chase it. The only things that I would chase today, and this is what we do sometimes. The only things that I do chase are with other indicators. So like oil, I will chase some oil plays like Oxy and stuff if WTI crude is going to continue ripping and there's other things in the like the global economy that are pushing oil up, which are going to end up in turn pushing oil stocks up. Like we could play Exxon today. Like Exxon looks good over here up 1.25%. Like there's a lot of things that we could not necessarily chase, but if we get in there with like, okay, we have a thesis, oil is going to continue to go up. People are going to fly into oil stocks. It's not a stupid trade and it's not really chasing it. It's like, okay, it's moving now. We're seeing that reaction, that money flow into oil stocks. And that's kind of what we're looking at here. BBIG Ortex, I gotcha. Woo! All right, folks. Biggie. What do we got? 91% utilization. Still on the threshold list. 46.97% cost to borrow. 22.8% estimated short interest. Please look at Twitter DM. Curious if I screwed up. I mean, you YOLO'd. Oh, wait. You haven't. That won't get filled. It might get filled at open. Careful though. Okay, so here's the thing. Here's another lesson I want you guys to learn. This is my opinion. You should not leave option orders sitting overnight or put option orders out there in the pre-market. You just shouldn't do it because you don't know what the stock's going to do. You have an option order out there. Your fill could be absolutely miserable, even on something that's liquid. So you got to be a little bit careful with these. 1348, I use very successfully as a stock trader. Looking forward to learning options. Dude, there we go. Today, again, guys, is the best day to join up on the premium on the Discord, or this week. The beginning of the month is the best time to join up on the Discord. So make sure you guys consider that if you do want to take your trading and investing to the absolute next level and put it on steroids. Let's see. Russia's central bank shuts down the country stock market for the second day as analysts warn it is uninvestable. Yeah, that's not good. That's not ideal. All righty, folks. Let's see what we got going on here. All righty, peoples. Okay. Yeah. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream on your way in. You guys are doing all right. You guys are doing all right. We need to get those numbers up, though. It is earnings day. It is a special day today, people. Make sure you guys are engaging with the content, getting this out to some more people. We like if we could see a lot of eyes today, and we want to make sure that people know like the accurate information on what's going on with AMC in the market. Riot crossing up on the 4-hour, approaching the 200. Ooh. If I buy a call at open and sell to close, what do you mean? You can do that, yeah. So if you shouldn't hold options overnight, no, you can hold options overnight. It's just my opinion that I don't want to right now. 1348 is good for the weekly. It is. It's just my opinion right now that the market's not trending. I would rather just day trade it. Can you hit nasty plays if you're holding stuff overnight or a weekly? Yeah, like Oxy, any of these other trades that we're looking at, like the Riot that we got yesterday, you could have held overnight. Like there are things that you can do really, really well with. It's just, in my opinion, markets can change so quickly right now. In my mind, it's not worth the risk. I just kind of want to get in and out of my trades, flicker around, and be good to go. Can you do a live with TMI and Gabe for earnings? I will definitely shoot them the link. I'll shoot everybody the link that's not streaming it. Is there SCB squirrel? Stop it. 100% on Riot overnight. I was dumb it. You're up way more on Riot. You're gonna be up a lot on Riot this morning. You're watching 9 tickers right now. Is that too many? Absolutely not. All right, people. We got 24 minutes until market opens. Spy's coming down a little bit here. Where's like Oxy? What do we got going on with this beast? Oxy's all right here. LMT, Raytheon. Yeah, Locky coming up. RTX. Raytheon. I mean, we could see a little bit of a 1348 cross on some of these things, little 5-minute MACD cross, send these things back up, but let's see. What time is AMC earnings? The call is at 5 p.m. Eastern. 5 p.m. Eastern. Boeing potential big drop. I mean, not a potential big drop. I mean, it's down 0.84. I mean, 1348 crossed here, but it's still above this 200 EMA. Yeah, if the market sells off, Boeing will come down. Lucid moving down. Ooh, how much? How much? Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Let's see what happens with these, with this little, I'm going to hold it. So remember, if you guys don't remember the DraftKings play, I sold it early, like right at open, and I took a loss on my DraftKings strangle. And it would have printed. So now I'm going to hold this Lucid to see what happens with it. And I think it could be good, but let's see what happens at open. Lucid pooping. Yeah, Target on a moon mission. Did Target have earnings? Target's fun. Oh, boy. Dude, Target's not supposed to do this. These are going to be multi-thousands of %. What's the 220? Well, how much was the 225? 90 cents. What's the at the money? 858. That's almost 1,000% on freaking Target. It's fucking Target. If you guys know that you're a real one. Citadel Securities is in big trouble currently due to leverage exposure. Not really. Not really. They have more assets than they have liabilities still at the same time. I did the same thing with DraftKings. You scared me. I paper hand stuff. You guys have to understand. I like to take things early. When Target squeeze, I don't know. Puts on Target. How's Walmart doing? I don't know. I don't think any of you guys got that reference. You guys are all boomers. Just kidding. Just kidding. I'm kidding. I love all you guys. I love all you boomers. Just kidding. You wanted to play Target earnings? I forgot. I usually play the run up into Target. I've hit some nasty plays going into Target earnings. Let's see here. We got Amy moving up here a little. I mean, it's up 0.87%. Spy's flickering around here. Robert Anthony de Jesus. Thank you so much for becoming a member, man. I really appreciate that. Really, really appreciate that. Thank you, man. Shout out to all the members. You guys are awesome. Dude, you guys have never heard that on the 6ix9ine song with Tory Lanez? You guys no, just for me. That's only me. I got that reference. All right, cool, fine, fair. Let's see. Look at Ung potential play for a put. No, I think Ung is a potential play for a call. If I mean natural gas. I mean, look at that. Let me look. Yeah, I mean natural gas coming down a little bit here. Crude oil is coming up. No, it's just one song. It's just one song, and every single time I hear Target, that's what I hear. Where the likes at? I don't know, man. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream on your way in. How many people we got in here right now? 1351. Let's go. Let's get those numbers up. Get some more people in here. Going into open. We got 20 minutes here, people. So instead of losing money or just purchasing more assets, well, they have more assets than they have liabilities, but the liabilities has just stepped up and it's more levered now than it was before. So it's hard to get it's hard to get an exact understanding of like what they're doing because those financial statements are like, they're going to just put out what they want to put out. Like, even though like they're not public, they don't have to do that. Become a member is cheap, supports Jack and all the awesome EDD he does after hours. Become a member. Trey's mustache. I appreciate that, buddy. 1348 people watching. Interesting. Overnight crude prices have already been priced in this morning. Be careful. Right. That's what I'm saying. It needs to snitch with the feds. It needs to continue. That's why I'm looking at oil and defense stocks to just kind of see what they're going to do. Again, it's just watch where the money's going to flow. I might honestly go really small in the morning because it's just flickery all over the place with the market. Damn, Kenny shorted the like button. Yeah, it's fine. My Webull account wasn't a cash account at first, so I had to convert to a cash account. Took about a week. Yeah, that's what happens. Check out uranium stocks over the next week. Isn't that like you? 6ix9ine. Bro, okay. So have you seen the 6ix9ine documentary on Hulu? The clothing brand that he had makes me, I would never wear it. Never. I would get probably murdered. But the clothing that he was selling, the words on it and where they were placed was one of the funniest things that I've ever seen. Is it too late for lucid puts on a 5-minute chart? I mean, sort of. Upgraded to premium 1348 this morning. Welcome, man. Time to make some freaking money again. It's best time of the month to join. The beginning of the month, best time for you guys to join, upgrade to premium. So let's see. We'd love to have you guys in there. We're going to be doing those live streams today during market hours. We got the live streams Sunday. And I think we're going to continue to do them on Monday. We didn't do it last night because Gabe did one towards the end of the day yesterday. We got all those alerts, those 350 stocks on the 5-minute and some other. And we're getting, so we have crypto alerts, we have stock alerts. We're getting all 2,000 stocks on the Russell for those of you guys who cannot trade options. Let's see here. Oh, SCV got wrenched. What's up, man? How you doing? 1348, go brrr. Yep. If you see it's 1,000, it's SCV. Where's the 6ix9ine close? Dude, I don't think they exist anymore. But if you guys have seen it, it's so funny. And you using my crit. Okay, so Bitcoin's running again. I mean, I might Ride and Mara could be spicy this morning. Another spicy play on Ride and Mara. Let's see. Wait, this works on crypto? Yes, dude. It works on everything. It works on everything. It works on crypto. You can use it on futures. You can use it on literally anything on your different time frame. I wouldn't trade it on the 1 minute unless you want to be a psycho. But other than that, it works on like pretty much all time frames in anything that has historical prices. Lucid about to go timber, bro. If it does, I'm gonna be a very happy VIX. Oh, there it go. Oh, Lucid getting sold off. Vegas, where you at, buddy? All right, folks. Let's see. We have about 17 minutes until the market opens. Bing bong. The prices are still wrong. You're up 200% on XRP this morning. Whoo! I love to see that, man. AT&T Bollinger Bands look tight. Should we look across? You could. You use 1348 on Tinder? Greg. What? Long time fan, new time member, long overdue. Appreciate everything. Keep up the great work. Robert, I appreciate that, man. Shout out to all the members. You guys are awesome. Thank you for all your support. You've seen the 6ix9ine clothing brand? Dude, it's so funny. Yeah, me and my girl were watching that, and dude, you're just dying. I don't know about everything. Not sure how it helped me get a girlfriend. Good morning, STV and chat. What's up, man? All right, people. We're having fun already this morning. Yesterday we were having fun. Today we're gonna be having more fun. I'll be on the beach in Puerto Rico watching the STV show on the 9th of this month. I love MC. Johnny, don't start going to the clubs all the time again, buddy. Don't you start going to clubs 7 days a week, buddy. Unless you're a promoter and that's your job, that's probably not where you should be. Gonna update my card and join for real. Georgia Picker, welcome. Join the Discord, ready to print. Yeah, there we go. Make sure you guys are getting the alerts with premium. Best stocks for 1348. It depends. I have the specific. So that's the thing. You got to kind of set up your specific stocks in your mind, and then you're always going to get more of them as you see more alerts come in. Here we go. It did the same thing with DraftKings. You scared me. Yeah. Daynart. I'm leaving the Lucid today. I'm leaving it. Alrighty here. Amy chilling out here a little bit. What are we up now? 0.5%. Spy's trying to bounce up a little bit here. Lucid struggle bus. All right. So Keith, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. I get so frustrated when sweet stocks cross shortly before market opens. Don't they know we're trying to make money? Don't just wait a few. Will you? Keith, dude, I agree. You can chase it if you want to, because it depending on where the 200 EMA is. We've been talking about this. Like if it crosses in the pre-market, then breaks above the 200 EMA, went in market, like at market open, it could be a good one. I'll test it out for you. I'll be the guinea pig. Dude, the Tinder swindler is hilarious. It's not hilarious, like it's sad. But my enemies, I need 250 grand. It's like, dude, isn't your dad a billionaire? Just go call daddy. Like, bro, no billionaire is going to be sitting here with like accounts that can all get frozen. It's not happening. Think about if you were a billionaire and you're just like, oh, I'm not going to have some money on the side, hit it, like not hidden, but like in a spot where they can't touch it. Like, I'd have at least, like, if I was a billionaire, like 50 mil and like cash, honestly, in like a warehouse somewhere. Like, what are we doing here, people? Come on. That's just silly. It would make a lot of sense to me. Like, if somebody came to me and was like, hey, these people are after me and I need 250 grand right now, and I'm in the diamond business and my dad's a billionaire, I would be like, no, for these reasons. One, I'm not doing that because that's a lot of money. And okay, whatever. We're not talking about this right now. All right, 1901 on Amy. Spy's trying to move up here a little bit. Let's see. He was convincing though, dude. Okay, the weird thing is I think he has a TikTok now. Like I think he's on TikTok. Like I've been scrolling through TikTok and I've seen him pop up with like videos, and I'm like, hold on. All right. So it's uncut jabs. Dude, I can't listen to those. I can't listen to those. All right, people. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream as you're filtering in. We're gonna have fun today. $19 flat on Amy over here. Remember, watch defense stocks, oil, semis, stuff like that. You follow him. Rands, you taking notes? Rands, you taking notes on the game? SB, I need advice. Do I cook slow? Okay, braised short rib or slow cook brisket? Brisket all day long. All day long. Go with the brisket. Can you have multiple millions in Webull and use it as you please? Yeah. I'm not gonna cap you. There's not like, oh, sorry, you have too much money for us. No. They will make more money off of you. I wish SCV swindled me on Tinder. No. Lucid about to break support. I mean, where is it? 2460. I mean, it's just free falling right here. Spy right around the 13 EMA over here. Let's check out like Lockheed and then the oil stocks as we're going into open. We got 12 minutes to go. I'm not doing anything over here. Oxy, how's this looking? Coming down a little bit. It's holding. Oxy's holding pretty good over here. So let's see what happens at open with it. If we start to see oil start to shoot back up, then I will start to get into some more like holy oil. Yeah, oil's coming up. So it's at 101.09. In my opinion, what's the best stocks for 1348? I mean, it's just like a group of stocks, like stocks that have like a high ATR, like stocks that move lots of dollars in a given day on average. Rivian puts as a Lucid Sympathy. Is it coming down in the pre-market? Yeah, down 3%. You could. If Lucid's going to continue to sell off, yeah, Rivian could be a decent one. I use his photo on Hinge and chicks match with me laughing, think I'm hilarious. Rands, that's funny, dude. That's game right there. There you go. If anything, they might invite you to a private island with millions and we will just don't go. Dude, I think it's no, I wouldn't do that. EU membership accepted for Ukraine. Sorry if this has already been posted. Yes. It has. We were talking about that a little bit earlier when the news came out. So 19 flat on Amy over here. Let's see. She's getting a bid. She's catching a bid. All right, people, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Woo! Let's have a fun day today, huh? Thoughts on Riot? Bitcoin keeps going up. I will get in there. What's TLT doing? It was up a little bit. So the TLT strangle was looking good. Oh, yeah. TLT was up pretty high in the pre-market over here, 142. I mean, TLT wants to start to get up here a little bit. So let's see what happens if TLT wants to get a bounce at open. Mass gang. What's up, people? If this don't do something, I'm about to start an OnlyFans. All right, man. Well, 1348. You should do that. Is Tesla selling off with Lucid or no? I mean, I feel like Tesla would get a pop off that. Like if I was a big institution and I saw Lucid LMT pricing target increase, oh man. So if I was a big institutional investor and I saw Lucid shit the bed on earnings, I would just buy the crap out of Tesla because Tesla's already the established one. They're delivering a lot of vehicles. They're continuing the only thing that I would be worried about on Tesla is all the delays. But yeah. Riot or Bitcoin? I mean, Riot is a Bitcoin play. I mean, we could play Ito. ProShares, Bitcoin ETF. This one's looking good over here. I mean, the 5-minute MACD's crossing down, but we'll see. Nancy Pelosi has exercised a bunch of call options on 121.22, up 5 million in Apple, up to a 1 million in PayPal, 5 million in Disney. Oh, she's going with American Express. That's weird. I wouldn't buy American Express. Oh, what's up, buddy? How you doing? No volume.
There we go.
There we go.
What's going on, my guy?
Not much, man. I'm hyped up for earnings today.
Earnings is looking good. So you want to hear something funny?
I do.
So Unusual Whales posted today that Nancy Pelosi has exercised a bunch of her call options on January 21st, 2022.
Yeah, we were just talking about that.
And the market dropped off January 22nd. The market dropped off for a 12.4% dip, heading towards a 14% dip January 22nd.
Good job, Nancy. You just took a big L.
No, my thing is, I don't know.
Oh, she owned the shares now. Oh, less of an L. Oh,
less of an L. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Like, this is absolutely ridiculous.
Yeah. Nancy. What are you looking at today?
Today, I'm not looking at much. SPY, I'm trying to keep it. I'm focusing on the AMC earnings today, trying to see if we can get a good call. I might try to get myself some AMC dip shares today. Just chill, play SPY a few times, and see what happens here. Because now the talks started happening yesterday, but now the talks aren't going well. We had a convoy apparently heading towards Kiev and other major cities in the Ukraine that were reported. So that narrative is kind of like, I think the overall market could be looking a little bit bullish if we kind of kick things off on a downtrend for like things look horrible in the world, the market looks great. Things look great in the world, the market looks horrible. And that's the trend that we seem to be on right now. So if things look shitty, I'm just like, this is horrible, but we'll see if we can play SPY and just go at it from there. What are you looking at?
Oil stocks are cranking. So Oxy's up big. Bitcoin looks like it wants to continue up. So Riot and Mara, if Bitcoin's going to continue to go on a run,
has been good.
Yeah. I had Riot calls yesterday, took it out for I think 40%. If I held them overnight, that would have been like freaking
absolutely. Yeah, I'm not playing Riot and Mara calls. I'm holding shares for those, but I mean, even the last 2 days, like 16% just holding shares, just doing nothing.
That's crazy.
Has been bullish, right?
That's crazy. And then I mean, defense stocks too. If they start to go.
Yeah,
those can go. Yeah. Those can just be runners. Like they can just start to run.
I'm looking at Mullen having a little bit of a pullback now. It's around 166.
Is it coming down?
So it's down about 2%, 1.7 to 2% so far this morning. But it did run up to 218. So I'm
Yeah,
thinking
man, that's huge.
it could get a bounce at around 150 and then just start to rip again. The utilization is up 157% this morning.
That's insane. They are trying to that's what I was thinking too. There was another stock we were looking at. I was like, they probably are just taking out all the shares now to short the shit out of it when it's after it's already ran. Which honestly, it makes sense for them to do. Like, if it runs up
Yeah,
big, they're just gonna play the mean reversion, come right back down.
and try to play. I don't really business. I'll play both ways. You know what I mean? I got out of my shares at 140, 144 to 141. And I was kind of
Mhm.
like, you're up 150%. Just let it be. I have a
Yeah.
few call options, just like a small amount, so I can not phone back into the play. But we'll see what happens from there. But
Yeah. Mullen's bouncing off my 200 EMA on the 5-minute, which is probably different than what you have on TradingView.
I use both. I use both.
Okay.
So yeah, so that way, no matter what people are looking at, I can kind of take a look. But
Right.
I think the overall short shares that are in market for Mullen and the amount of shares that are on loan, you have about just under 2 million shares on loan that are not short back into the market at this time.
Yep.
That is a substantial amount because that's about 60% of the current amount of shares that are currently short in market, right?
Oh
So
boy. Yeah. Amy's got like, I think 14 million, 12 million, something like that they can use. They just haven't used it yet.
exactly, but no, but not that's not even close to what
Oh, in terms of a percentage on Mullen, like, yeah, it's a lot more.
yeah, Mullen and Sundial. I'm worried about for that aspect of it.
Yeah, I just it me in my I don't really touch Sundial. The float's too big. Their business is a
No,
little
that's what. Yeah,
wonky. Yeah,
and but the
I
amount
just
of
don't
shares
like
on
it.
loan is like 50% of the amount of shares shorted in market.
Jesus.
So like anytime they're ready, they can just like it's not one institution, right? But those shares could all just dump down and just crash the market.
You play Lucid?
I didn't play Lucid, but I had a few people that I called that were messaging me, and I was just like, I would play at 250 out of the price either way, 250,
Mm.
and those would have paid beautifully. There'd be $2 in the money right now if you play the downside.
Yeah, I've got some deeper YOLOs, so I'm gonna hold it, just kind of see what happens. If it's a dud,
How
it's a
deep?
dud. It was just super cheap. I think I have the 2250, but it's this week. Like, they were
That's
deep.
yeah, but
I was trying to
It's
get
Tuesday, so those
yeah.
could pay. Yeah, yeah,
If
yeah.
they do, that'd be sweet. I might take them, but like, if the strangle's profitable, I'll see where it's looking like it's gonna go and then get out or stay in. But I don't know. I might play
Yeah, from
SoFi today. SoFi's got earnings. It's ripping in the pre-market. Could be a volatile earnings. They can move on earnings too.
I think they can run up to. I think SoFi can touch up to like 14 to the. What's the number that I'm looking at? I think it was 14 that I had the day before earnings comes on the upside, like most bullish potential.
Yeah.
It could be what's it at right now? It's at 12.2. Yeah, it could get up to 13.50 to 14 if it starts moving today. Keep an eye for that.
Yeah. Are you streaming earnings? Because I was planning on just leaving the
Yeah,
stream
yeah.
on and just going right through.
I'm gonna be on at 5 p.m.
All
4
right,
p.m.
dope.
CST, 5
All right,
p.m.
cool.
Eastern, 5 p.m.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave the stream going all the way through. Just stay on.
Do it. I guess you're on from like 1 o'clock anyways, right?
Yeah, just might as well stay on.
Do it up.
Um,
Have you heard anything from Keenan? Apparently he's taking the day off today.
I saw him tweeting out a little bit. I think he's got some personal stuff going on.
Okay. I didn't see those tweets. I'll check it out later on. Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll see if we
Also,
can keep it.
guys, it is the best day to join the Discord. Like, this is the best time of the month. So if you guys do want access to all the 1348 stuff, like all the alerts, all the live streams, we're doing the like live market live streams now, like for the private part of the Discord. We'd love to have you.
Do it up. I'm gonna go jump out of here now, and we'll chat in a bit.
All right, buddy.
Guys, don't forget, smash that like button, engage with the video, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Deuces.
Later, buddy. All righty, people. So make sure you guys hit that like button on your way in. How much time we got? Oh boy, we got 2 minutes until open. Lucid is selling. Daynart, where you at, buddy? These are looking all right. Let's see. It's down 16%. Spy's making a little GME, nice little candle over here. Amy, come on. Time to shine today, Amy. Let's get above 19. Get that Don Julio 1942 and make our way all the way up to ankles. Here we go. AMC FUD articles are insane. Oh, they can screw off. Let's see here. Does it keep selling off throughout the day? It might, man. It might. Amy, 1899. Spy, trying to move here a little bit. Let's see. Yeah. Make sure you guys keep Keenan in your thoughts. Ryan's right. I think somebody close to Keenan or one of his family members just got diagnosed with cancer. So, Make sure you guys are keeping them in your thoughts. That's a terrible thing to go through. Hopefully everything's all right, man. That's a dangerous disease, man. Let's see here. Are you gonna sell Lucid or load the boat? I don't own it. I have calls and puts on it. Let's see. All righty, people. So AMC is coming up a little bit. 1904. Here we go, baby. So, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way and help support the channel. That's all I ask for. Just make sure you guys engage with the stream. Helps get some more people in here. We got less than a minute to go until market open. Remember, we're going to be watching oil, defense, Bitcoin stocks, and semiconductors. If the SPY starts to run, I mean, we'll pop back in on Micron. We'll see what happens with DraftKings and Uber if the market starts to get a little bit of bullishness. But actually, hold on. Where are the boxes? Are the boxes anywhere near where we want them to be? Do we have them? Oh, we're outside the box. Interesting. Thinking outside the box. Oh, there it is. Okay. So let's see here. Oh, ding, ding, ding. Market is open. Here we go, people. Ah. All right. Are you kidding me right now? Okay. Hold on. I just botched something. Hold on. I got to pull up TradingView real quick. All right. I made an oopsie. Sorry. All right. So we got Amy over here. I just completely botched this. All right. So we're going to leave up TradingView right here. I'm going to mess with this Weeble thing and get all my stuff back. But Amy over here, this is what we're looking at. Okay. This is what we got going on over here. Add a widget. Chart. There we go. All right. Here we go. We're back. All right. So Amy right now is at 1867 over here. Let me see if I can get this back up because that was a bunch of nonsense over here. Let's see. Oxy. Let's see over here. We got Spy. And then we got Jimmy. All right. My bad on that, guys. Sometimes stuff just gets wonky over here. So let's see. Let me get this back up here. I want the 5 minute. And I want extended hours. Here we go. That was wild. That was weird. Sorry about that. Let's see what we got going on over here. All right. So this is what we got for Amy. Ooh, things are looking good. Sorry, I got to rearrange my charts now because this is a bunch of nonsense. So SPY looking all right here. Let's see. Hold on. I need a quote. Yeah, there we go. I want the quote over here. All right. Sorry for that little technical difficulty over there. Amy looking all right here, looking pretty decent going into open. Let me get my indicators back up. So let's see what we got for Amy. 1905 looking all right over here, people. Honestly, this is probably protecting me from doing something stupid as the market's opening. Let's see. Let me get these EMAs over here. Style. All right. Inputs 13. 48. 100. Let's see. We want blue. This one's red. Let's see. This one's yellow. Okay. Okay. Let's see what we got over here now. All right. Back to normal. All right. This is a bunch of nonsense. So 13. All right, people. We're having some technical difficulties already this morning. Dude, why is this so drunk? All right. Okay. 48. 200. Whoa. Amy, 1904 over here. I'm just trying to get this back to normal. All right, people. Let's see. Yeah, also, whoa, GME's getting some candles over here. Hold on. Let me pull that up really quickly. GME is looking good over here. So, done. There we go. So, Amy over here looking pretty solid. Let's see what we got over here. I want this to get the fuck out of here. There we go. All right. So, GME over here getting some candles, man. Up about 1.4%. Looking pretty solid over here. I don't know if you are, but I just lost all my Weeble indicators too. Yeah, that was really weird. And STV calls us boomers. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. All right. Now I need MACD. Let's see. Amy's coming up 1922 over here. Let me just get back up to where we need it to be. And then MA. No, let's see. 25. And then we want style. I want this green. Oh, Amy's getting some candles over here, people. I love the look of this. This is looking pretty good over here. All right, let me see if I can get these over here. Why do I have to do it on all of them? Indicators. There we go. Now we're back to normal. Amy, 1930 over here, looking pretty good. Sorry about that, guys. I clicked some weird stuff on the Weeble chart going into market open really quickly, but we are back to normal now. Oxy looking good, starting to come up a little bit. Little 1348 cross. Guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Lucid puts. Actually, I got to take a look at these. Where is Lucid? Right. Oxy is coming up. So hold on. Let's see. All right, my Lucid put is up 55% right now. So Oxy is coming up a little bit. I might do a tiny, tiny, tiny little Occidental trade just for funsies, because it could get a little bit runny over here. Okay, so Oxy's coming up. What about USO? Anything to cross over here? GME is looking a little. All right, that's on the 1 minute. We want these on the 5 minute chart. That's why things are looking a little wonky. All right, there we go. USO still looks good over here. Oxy, what are we looking at here? So oil is Amy's looking really good. Don Julio 1942. We just hit it. Here we go. Yeah, Oxy's doing good. Spy's coming up here a little bit as well. I love the look of this, man. I mean, what else is anything crossing right here? NOC just crossed. All right, where's LMT? Lockheed crossing and coming up. All right, let's see. Spy's running here. All right, Lockheed running. Let me see. All right, let's see what happens with this. Spy flickering here. Defense stocks are starting to go. Verizon ripping here. Hold on. Verizon. Yep, Verizon little crossing coming up. Let's see. DraftKings cross on the 5 minute. I do like me some DraftKings, people. DraftKings is usually a fun one, but let's see what happens here. Spy flickering around a little tiny bit. All right. I did get some Lockheeds. Let's see what happens over here. All right. I did get Lockheed. So let's see what happens with this. They're already up pretty big. Oh, Amy, little red candle over here. They're fighting this thing today, people. Hold on. Let me get this chart looking a little bit better and bigger. Bigger and better. Here we go. So Lockheed moon mission over here. We got Amy moving down. We got Spy starting to come up pretty big over here. Where's that DraftKings that we were looking at? Anything else? DraftKings also crossed on the 30 minute. Novax cross. NVAX. DraftKings coming back down a little bit. Does Lucid count as a cross? Is he crossing down? Is he coming up? Where's Lucid? Oh, Lucid just getting hammered over here. Spy's coming up, though, nicely. Woo! Snap, IRNT flying again. Ooh, hold on. All right, I'm already up 20% on these Lockheeds. Wish I got two. I got like one contract. I'm not being as stupid today. I'm just gonna kind of leave these be for a while to kind of see so I can hold them for a little longer. Micron. All right, good. Micron, what do we got going on over here? Oh my God, Micron getting up here a little bit. Spy coming up a little bit. Amy, come on, your time to shine here. We're at 1888 over here on Amy. We're gonna need a little bit more. ATVI crossed up on the 5. Snap moving. Not a 1348, but things are getting spicy over here. Okay, what were we looking at too? Beto coming down. So Riot and Mara might be selling off a little bit. Let's see where Riot is. Riot coming down. Oxy, how's Oxy looking? Oxy looking really strong over here. So with oil doing the damn thing. All right, let's see. Hold on. Let's see what we got. All right, let's see here. All right, little Oxy. How are they not getting me on this? All right, let's see. Occidental's looking good. Where's the Lockheed? All right, people, how we doing over here? Oxy rocketing. Yeah, I got a little bit of that. Up 27% on Lockheed right now. Let's see. The Lockheeds are going to be really, really volatile. 202% on Riot, 130% on Oxy. Woo! There you go. Upstart about to cross on the daily. Yeah, guys, if you don't mind, hitting that like button on your way in just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Let's see. Oxy 55% up on a call. Yeah, 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 yeah. I love the smell of volatility in the morning. Yeah, 25% up on Oxy. There you go, people. There you go. All righty. So my oxys are flickering around. I got a little baby one. I'm still gonna abide by all the rules and the stops and stuff. Amy flickering here. Let me see. I'm gonna pull up Amy's chart over here. Let me see if the mouse is gonna charge and stop being a little a-hole right now. Amy 1896 over here. Lucid trying to climb up. Yeah, my Lucid put's a little bit dead, but let's see what happens with this. Let's see where Lockheed is. I mean, defense stocks are just ripping right now. Yeah, I mean they're going up. This thing's getting nutty over here. New high. It's just continuously making new highs. So let's see what happens with this beast. Mullen got you. Yeah, 101% on Oxy. Woo! Yeah, I'm down a little tiny bit on the Oxy right now, but let's see. So Amy, 1894 over here. It's trying to fight. It is trying to fight. Let's see. Max out your Weeble screen. No, I'm not gonna do that just because we need to get to like, oh, Amy's getting sold off right here. They're trying to hit it. They are trying to hit it. 86% on Exxon. Whoo! There you go. There you go. LI Auto is running. There you go, man. All right. These Lockheed should start to go here. The spreads are drunk on it. Let's see. What options we buying today? I don't know. It depends. AMC isn't on Webull right now. I literally have it up right here. I don't know what you guys are seeing, but 500% on Occidental. Jesus. All right. 32% on Lockheed. 85% on Lucid, letting the call run now. I mean, my puts are at 13%. So I don't know. Let's see what happens with this. We got AMC coming down to try and test that 200 EMA over here. They're seriously pushing AMC down. Must be scared. Yeah, honestly, it doesn't matter anything what happens, what they're trying to do until earnings. AMC isn't on my Webull. Interesting. Hold on. I have it right here. Like this AMC right here. Occidental still looking strong over here. Let's see what happens with this. Where's oil right now? That's not what we want. Hold on. Here it is. 101.50 up 6% on WTI crude. This thing's looking good. What was that candle on GME? Dude, just massive shark fin over here. Just absolutely massive shark fin. SPY flickering around a little bit. Where's LMT? Lockheed just kind of chilling out at these highs over here. Let's see what happens with it. It does like to do these little like pop. I mean, this is a nice little 1348 cross here that I'm trying to play. But we'll see what happens with this. What about DraftKings, Uber, Micron, any of these other things starting to run over here? Nope. A lot of shark fins popping off in the market today. SLV. All right, hold on. Let's see what we get over here. Also, guys, make sure wow, SLV's looking all right. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream on your way in. Just helps out a whole lot getting this information out to some more people. Let's see here. TLT getting ready to cross to the upside. Yeah, the TLT that I have, it might be nasty. Yeah, 82% on the TLT call. The strangle is back into the green. Up 10% on Verizon already. Nice. There you go. I mean, I'm up 33% on the Lockheed, and I went a little bit big, so that's pretty nice. Amy coming back down a little bit. SPY flickering. Let's see. Where's LMT? Yeah, Lockheed wants to go. IRNT up 12%. All right, where's SoFi? Because SoFi was another potential runner this morning. SoFi coming down. IRNT, IronNet coming up pretty big. We played that one day. That was all right. SPY's coming down now. Interesting. Here we go. With institutional ownership being so high on AMC and retail owning most of the float, wouldn't that be enough for a margin call? No. IronNet is coming up though. Let's see. Oh, Lockheed going crazy. Jared, thank you so much for the super. Naked shorting or sell off. Well, let's see what the volume is today. So the volume already is 4.7 million, but we do have a lot of shares that they have already out on loan that they can use against us. So we got to be careful with that. Actually, where is NOC and RTX? All right, Raytheon's about to cross. What did this do yesterday? Nothing. Absolutely freaking nothing. So maybe not on this one. Where is Oxy? OXY. Is this shark finning? A little bit. Oxy coming down a little. Up 805% on Oxy. There you go. Let's see what we got over here. All right. Where are we at on Amy? So, wow. Wow, 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 wow. AMC over here, 1872, down about 16 cents. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Mullen getting crushed. Told ya. Qualcomm about to cross down. Okay, Mullen. Yeah, what's up with Mullen? Ooh, Mullen down 15%. Uh-oh, where's Lucid? Lucid, I mean, it's trying to maybe come back up, but it's getting hit hard. I mean, I'm up 44% on the LMTs. Verizon's still pushing. Did it get a cross at open? What about okay, so Verizon's going. What about, like, Viacom? Verizon just moon missioning right here. Hold on, maybe we'll get on that. What about Para? Because Para's nice. Para is going on a little bit of a moon mission right here. Verizon does not look bad, though. Let's see. Verizon looks good. 1348 cross at open, really getting up here. Does not care what the SPY is doing. XOM is flying. Hold on. All right, we're gonna see what happens with Verizon over here. XOM, it's looking all right. Where is Occidental? OXY. It's holding up here, man. Oxy looks all right, especially if oil is gonna continue to start going up. Let me look. Yeah, 102.06. Oil's ripping. So watch Oxy, Exxon, and all these other stocks with this oil move. AMC right around that 200 EMA over here, just kind of flickering. Getting sold off a little bit here. Chevron is ripping. There you go. There you go. All right. I like this Oxy. Let's see what happens with it. 55% on the 60% on the Lockheed. We got little I'm up in the Verizon already. The Oxys are flat. So this could be a nutty day. SPY flickering around a little bit. All right. Let's see. AMC 1860 right now. GME coming down to that 13 EMA. SPY coming down to its 13 EMA over here as well. USO UNG is coming back up. Oh, hold on. Where's natural gas? Yet. Natural gas is going up. That's the one that I was looking for. The lagger. The lagger. Yeah. UNG is coming up here a little bit. Is it on a cross? No, but it does look really good with natural gas just pumping. All right, let me look. Yeah. UNG is coming back up with natural gas. Amy getting sold off. SPY coming down. This is getting interesting, people. This is getting very interesting. All right. Wow, 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 wow. Holy LMT. All right. Let's see. Let's go UNG. Yeah, I mean, I got a little bit of an UNG play, a Verizon play, an Oxy play, and I'm really up big on the Lockheed. So we'll see what happens with this. But UNG, I mean, my contracts are about to go in the money right now. So that's pretty nice. So let's see what happens with this beast. AMC 1862, SPY flickering around a little tiny bit here. Where is Lockheed right now? Is it at 445 yet? Yeah. All right. This is drunk. DraftKings holding up. There you go. Yeah, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Help engage with the content. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. The Verizons are up like 8%. The Oxys are up 3.5. Yeah. Is oil still going? Yeah. Look at this. Lockheed's going. Oil's ripping right now. Oh yeah. 102.03 on WTI crude. This is craziness today, people. This is wild. Just picked up more AMC. There you go. Wow. I'm up 86% on this call right now. I'm up a lot. That is crazy. I wish I bought more. Damn it. I should have done that. Let's see here. Jeez, man. I wish I bought more of those. Fuck. But let's see what we got on these other plays coming through. I did take a little bit of a big position on Occidental, so I got to kind of watch this one pretty closely. AMC chilling around here a little tiny bit. We got 1865 over here. SPY's trying to move back up a little bit. We got the Verizons up 11%. The UNGs are flat. The Oxys are up 10%. And the LMTs are up 89%. Wow, man. I could have been able to make this free. Jeez. All right, Amy, come on. Let's go. It's earnings day. Let's get going here. All right. Oxy doing its thing. UNG with natural gas. Is it shark finning? Nope. Verizon, how's this look? Verizon absolute moon mission. This one could be really good over here. Up 100% on Lockheed in 15 minutes. Yeah, what are mine? 86% right now. Made my riot call free. Yeah, I'm not gonna get any more plays right now. I've already got a decent Amy. Holy Verizon print. Jeez, man. All right, it's looking good so far this morning. I'm probably gonna be quick to take profits on stuff. Let's see. Oxy's moving up. Yeah, where is it? Occidental. Yeah, there it goes. There it freaking goes. 21% on the Occidental. Damn, dude. I mean, so far today, I feel like I'm stealing money. This is craziness. Man, it's so much less stressful when you make the contracts free. I know. Quick question. Were those positions you picked up at open 1348 crosses? The Lockheed was, the Verizon was, the UNG and Oxy were natural gas and oil plays. So no, but the Lockheed, the biggest gainer of the today that I have in my account is a 1348 cross, like Lockheed right here. Crossed here coming up. So this is a perfect. I mean, Lockheed's just been it's just expensive. Like I wanted to get 2 contracts on it, but I was just like, or a couple of contracts. So I only have 1, but it's expensive as hell. Ung broke 16. There it goes. An even amount of contract on anything. No, that sucks. Yeah, here comes Ung, natural gas. Spy's trying to move back up here. Amy's trying to get a little bit of a pop. Your whole chat is asking for Ortex. It looks like you are asking for Ortex. So let's see. Here comes UNG. Let's do a little bit of Amy Ortex over here. AMC. It's almost negligible. Like it doesn't matter. Like 20.08% estimated short interest. A net return of 294,000 shares today. Utilization cost of borrow now kind of useless. All right, here's what I want to do. I want this back over here. All right, let's see. Spy trying to do something here. Where's Verizon? That Verizon could be spicy, dude. Yeah, Verizon looks good. Can you look at ATXI? Yeah. Whoa, this thing's coming up here. Hold on. I mean, a 1348 cross right here, and it's ripping above the 200 DMA. That's not bad. Hold on. Oxy, LMT selling, or is this just, yeah, a little bit. OXY coming down a little. Yeah, Oxy, a little bit of a red candle here. Let's check oil. Oil moved down a little bit, but natural gas is ripping right now. So natural gas could be the winner today. It's halted. ATXI. Is it halted? Halted. Wow, that's it just halted. Interesting. So SPY moving back down here. Very interesting. All right. So Verizon, I mean, I'm up a tiny bit. Oxy, I'm up a tiny bit. UNG, I'm up 10%. LMT, I'm up 83%. So let's see. Brian, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Smash the like. Are you gonna talk about Bruno? I don't know who Bruno is, but I mean, SPY's coming down pretty hard now. Hold on. Verizon getting a candle to the downside. LMT selling with it. All right. SPY is not having fun right now on this 5-minute chart. All right. UNG, I think, is getting a pop. Where's Verizon? Verizon was not caring what the SPY was doing, and now it's getting a bad candle. So I might ditch it. Just take the money back. Let's see. SPY, are you going to bounce at this range, or are you going to capitulate? Oh, Lockheed, what are you doing? What are you doing? Let's see here. All right. Let's see. SVN reviewed our stream yesterday. He said we would get about 200 alerts on 1348 crossover. He wasn't kidding. Membership is worth it. Yeah, we're not lying to you. You get a lot of stuff over there. Let's see what we got. All right, Lockheed's being a shithead. All right, let me pull it up on this. Still looking solid over here. What do we want on Verizon? I kind of want to take a look at this. All right, just chilling. Lockheed, all right. SPY does not look great right now. UNG, how's this doing? Little bit of a red candle here, but let's see. Crude and natural gas still looking all right. Let's see. SPY selling off hard. Yeah, SPY is not having a good time. Like zero fun on the SPY right now. Lockheed holding. SPY moving down. Flickering here. All right, what do we want here? All right, folks. DraftKings doesn't care? Oh, yeah, here comes Lockheed back up. DK and G. Yeah, DraftKings coming back up here. What about, I mean, Verizon didn't care at one point. VZ. And it's sucking a little bit here. All right. Oh, I think Oxy's getting a pop here. Hold on. I think Occidental is going on a run. And it's coming back up. That's what it's doing. It's not. Let's see. Ung, please go up and only up. Where is Ung? Ung is a weird one. So Ung is always one that I buy, and I'm just like, it should do this, but sometimes it doesn't. So SPY flickering around a little bit. Amy doing its thing. Beto cross down. Ooh. Interesting. Whoa. Jesus, Lockheed. You mother effer. Yeah. I'm up 89% and climbing. SPY trying to do its thing here, but Lockheed is just moon missioning. It's been a while since Amy has heard an STV rant. What's there to rant about right now? All right, I'm cutting the Verizon. They can go fuck themselves with this. So now I've just got UNG, Oxy, and Lockheed. Those are the three that I have. With SPY coming down like this, I think Verizon's going to get hit. But I also think that if SPY comes down like this, I think Lockheed, UNG, and oil can have days, like have really good days. So we'll see. OXY over here. What are we looking at? Yeah, Oxy's still looking all right. Alibaba's ripping. Interesting. Where's Baba? I mean, I would never hold this thing long, but yeah, Baba's coming up here a little bit. SPY's coming down into this range here. Let's see. Mara cross down. Chevron was the play of the day so far. I mean, technically for me, Lockheed's the play of the day right now. Let's see. That's just crazy money over here. Where's it on the STC? Let's see. It still looks good. Gold is ripping. Did it get across? Gold's coming up. GME's getting a little pop here. 124 up about 0.5%. Amy's trying to make its way back above that 200 EMA. SPY's trying to pull up a little bit here. GLD is coming up though. Oh, GLD's really ripping. Where's Ung? Ung not doing it what it's supposed to. Oxy flickering here. I mean, I'm gonna give it a little bit of time, but Lockheed moon mission. HD crossed. Yeah, HD cross at open. That's a really good one. So yeah, if you guys want to see all these and get these alerts just sent to your phone and you don't have to like search around all the time, this is the best time of the month to join the Discord. Like right now on the Lockheed, like it's craziness over here. Like this one's probably up like, what is it now? 84%, 86% in a couple of minutes. Should I take it? Probably, but I'm going to let this thing run a little bit and just kind of see. Pull up AMC on the 15-30 minute and check that 18 to 20 zone again. I think we bounced it. Yeah, well, we've seen that 18-20 to 18-30 zone a couple of times in the past. The reports the SEC holds before releasing them, I think the public is maybe AMC moving up. Yeah, it's trying here. SPY's trying as well. Let me see what let me see where oil is. 102.03. Natural gas coming up. So let's see where's Ung. Uncle's being an a-hole. Mullen selling hard. Yeah, that's what I was warning about. SoFi doing its thing over here. WTI at 102. Yeah, I know. It's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. All right, I'm up 10% on Oxy. Stochastic just crossing the 5. She bounced. She's coming up. So I was trying to move here. SoFi. I mean, I might play SoFi earnings. Where do we find the Discord? It's the link in the top of the live chat over here, and it's the first link in the description. So USO killing it. Is that the winner right now? It's holding. USO's holding more than like Oxy is right now. Like Oxy's flickering here. GME's coming up here nicely. 124.67. Where's Lockheed? Holding here. All right, folks. Yeah, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in too. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all the support you guys have been showing me recently. It's really, really, really cool. Hold on. Occidental, I think, is ripping. Yeah, Oxy coming back up. SPY trying to do something here. Like number 981. Appreciate that, man. All right, what's the strike that I have on Oxy? Oh, okay, they're not in the money yet. 74% on LMT selling off. All right, let's take a look on this. Still looks good. What's this on the 1 minute look like? Yeah, testing the 13 EMA over here. So let's see what happens with this. Amy, 1875. Spies flickering, trying to bounce over here. All right. Don't miss ISPO. No. SKYH. Yeah, what is this? I forget what this is. Isn't it? Could this be? Oh, it's a SPAC, I think. I think that's a SPAC. Oh, here comes Lockheed again. You got that candy cane formation? Yeah. Where is AMC volume? Well, it's 7.78 million right now. Spy flickering around a little bit. LMT doing good. Where's Occidental? OXY. Where's it battling here? Oh, right around that. It's being a little bit of a shithead still. Where's UNG? All right, UNG chilling. Oh, GME coming up. Spy getting a little action here. Come on, people. Yeah, ATXI or whatever that one was is ripping with pretty wild thoughts. 94% on Lockheed now. All right, UNG is coming down and being an absolute poopy head. How much did I spend on this? Oh, barely anything. I'll hold that. All right, I'm up 100% on the Lockheed right now. Nice. Nice. There we go. Boom. AMC calls coming back to life. There you go, man. There you go. Yeah, ATXI is halted. Amy fighting back. Yeah, Lockheed doing good. Spy coming up here. Jesus Christ. You're up 81% on my Exxon call that you laughed at the other day. I mean, that's fine. Was it like way out of the money? Is that why I laughed at it? I mean, with oil and stuff. All right, Oxy's selling off here. 101.92. DraftKings doing good. It's holding. Where's UNG? I might. That's annoying as hell. All right, I'm gonna still abide by all the rules. Oh my god, bro! Jesus, this is Jesus. The spy candle is nuts, dude. This whole thing is nuts. Amy hanging right around that 200 EMA over here, and Lockheed is going on a fucking moon mission. I wish I bought more of these. Jesus, I'm up 122%, and they were expensive, bro. Let's see. Yeah. Also, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. My oxys are still green. I like that. I like that. Oh, my lucid put is slightly green. That's cool. Did you get faked out on Oxy yesterday? And it kept. No, I didn't touch Oxy yesterday. I never touched it. I've got it today though. It's up 20% right now. Not bad. What else were we looking at? Chip makers. AMC Max Payne. It was 1750 yesterday, but we can take a look at that in a little while. Yeah, this is going crazy. Spy needs to hit 445 for you, maybe. I don't know if it's gonna. ATXI still going. A Pixie suspended. Oh. All right, hold on. Occidental, I think, is trying to make a little bit of a move here. Yeah, here comes Occidental. Here it comes. Micron about to cross. Which way? Down. Ooh, baby. What are the puts saying? How expensive are they? Oh, they suck. All right, Spy's flickering here. Oxy, I think, was making a nice little move. Yeah, Oxy looks good. Where's Lockheed? Did that sell off with the Spy? Yeah, a little bit, but it still looks really freaking good. 50% on Oxy calls. There you go, bro. There we go. Discord printing. All right, 127% on Lockheed. Spy's being a little shithead here. Was that a good sell on Verizon or did it bounce? Yeah, that was a great sell on Verizon. UNG. Trying to bounce up here a little bit. Not bad. Oxy, 1,170% paper hand time. There you go. You couldn't afford LMT. I mean, how much did I spend? Actually, that's not that bad. Let me see. Let me look. Thoughts on Gush? Let's see here. Oh my god, bro. This is absolutely ridiculous. If I paper traded SPY, I would be so down right now. It happens, man. 18% on Occidental over here. Yeah, this thing looks good still. Where is Lockheed? Jesus Christ. Insanity. All right. Ox will fall. Time for puts. Cash out on call profits. That's what you think, Jason? Maybe. I mean, it depends on if oil's going to keep going. It's holding right around 102. I think it looks good. 1348 just put $800 in my pocket on Tesla. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm not messing around here. Like you got to learn these strategies. You're going to be all right with them. SPY is now coming down. The UNGs are just kind of chilling. I honestly might just hold the UNGs. The Oxys are up 19.4%. The LMTs are up 137%. DraftKings pushing. Yep. Check out the box we're in. All right, let me look. Okay, I see that. That's interesting. I'd get rid of those lucid puts. She's already testing the 13. It's an earnings play. I'm fully prepared to let that go to 0. Like fully prepared. I'm leaving it. It's at this point, it's just a hedge. All right, SPY pop. Where's Lockheed? My buddy has almost all the savings in AMC, and he's done being cool, calm, and collected. Can you send friends some positive vibes? Fred. Here's what I want everybody to think about. That's in the slightest bit worried. Why did you get into the play? Well, you knew there was heavy levels of manipulation in it, like heavy. So because of that, since there's heavy levels of manipulation in a given stock, you know that they are going to try to do nonsensical stuff to it and push it down. You know that going in. So when you think about when you see the price movements go back to the downside, these are things that we could be expected. And it's exactly the same thing that we were seeing before. Like, yes, the play has not changed. It's literally, they're doing exactly what we thought they were going to do. That's all it is. Is the short interest still really high? Yes. Is the company getting better fundamentally as a company? Yes. When is it going to squeeze? I don't know. It's going to take it's going to be, what do you call it? It's going to take some time to play out, and you have to be okay with that. That's the thing about buying these types of stocks. It's like, all right, that's why we have 1348 now, because now all these people are in here just printing money all the time. And then everybody's sitting here like, okay, now we're making money and we can afford mentally to just kind of relax a little bit and hold our position if that's what you want to do. All right. The shorts are who we thought they were. Exactly. All right. Lockheed is moon missioning right here. Honestly, Oxy is coming down a little bit. The UNGs are holding, but let's see what happens with this. Guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too, and make sure you guys have notifications turned on for the channel. It just helps out getting the information out to some more people. So if you guys have not done that already, make sure you guys turn notifications on. It's that little bell icon. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have already done that and who are about to. It really means a whole lot. Hold on. I think Lockheed's selling off a little bit. No, that's holding. Let's see. 167% on LMT. I'm up 150%. Let's see. Just need pressure on the ask. Yeah, Lucid's ripping. Good for them. I'm letting these expire freaking worthless. It's completely fine. Lucid coming back up. It's fine. Let's see. What else do we got? Do we know an upper level of resistance on LMT? I'm up 300%. I think this is an all-time high breakout. So, no, honestly. Like if we pull this up on the 4-hour, or no, I need it on like the max chart. Yeah. So now we are now at we just hit an all-time high on LMT. So this could be an all-time high breakout and it gets really, really crazy. So I don't know. Let's see what happens with it. I'm holding mine. I have a lot of money in this right now, just because it's up a lot and they were expensive. So let's see what happens with it. Oxy trying to move here. UNG trying to move. Micron cross down. Yeah, I did see that. Did see that. Micron did cross down. Let's see what happens with the SPY. It's hanging out at this top of the range over here. Let's see. Some might say I paper handed, but closed my DraftKings at 75%. There you go. Amy just kind of hanging around here. Let's see. Hold on. All right. Let's see. SPY selling off here a little bit. Where's Micron? Micron on the way down here too. I might get some Micron puts. Just a hedge. Where's Lockheed and everything going? So Lockheed still holding here. Let me see. Micron. Micron just looks weak right here. SPY is moving down. So let me get a little bit of this over here. I'll take 2 of these. How did that not fill, bro? Oh my God. They are just scamming me. Got it. These assholes on the option chain today are not being very nice to me. They're not being very nice to short the VIX on the option chain today. It's fine. I'm still going to steal their money. It's all right. I'm up 160% on Lockheed. Ung pop? Dude. What do I have on Ung? Oh, I have the 16. Let's see. LMT. Okay. Here's the thing, guys. Tyler, I get what you're saying if you have Lockheed calls. I do not want, in general, Lockheed, terrible company. Like, not a good, morally, ethically, terrible. They've had bribery lawsuits, so many scandals in the past about like them being non-ethical. They will benefit off of conflict in the world. So I'm not like, this is not me being like, go Lockheed. No, that's not what it is at all. It's got a 1348 breakout. I know money will flow into this if it starts to go like it's doing, but am I ever going to hold this thing long? Hell no. You have no ethics when it comes to money. That's fair. And people might look at me and be like, you're trading it, you're supporting it. Well, options aren't really. You can have your opinion on it. I'm going to be in and out of this thing today. And I'm just trying to trade it and see, because when you see things like this happen, you do if you're trading, you got to make some money. But again, don't be rooting for stuff like this, because you do have to understand, like, yeah, this is how things do get affected. But again, if you can make money, get out and be perfectly fine on something like that. I mean, it's a gray area, because then you have to be like, all right, well, how can you then trade this and not this? But I mean, I'm happy you guys are making money, but let's not cheer for Lockheed to go to the absolute moon. Okay. It is coming up here. I mean, I'm up a really, really stupid amount on it. And I'm watching the STC indicator to really give me an indication of when it's gonna chill out. It doesn't look like it's about to. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys join the Discord too. This is a textbook 1348 massive play right here. We've hit 2 of these dirty trades. All right. Oxy and Ung. All right, hold on. The Micron puts are flat now. Oh, they're up a little bit. Let's see. Micron coming down. If anything, he's taking money out of that industry, right? He's making money and putting it somewhere else. That's fair. Your candle on Oxy, which way? He's be up. And a little bit of a candle over here. 15% on the Occidental, 4% on the Ung, barely anything on the Micron, but I'm up 194% on Lockheed. So I don't know. Let's see what happens with it going throughout the rest of the day. SPY cross down. It's about to. It is below the 200 EMA over here. You don't have the cross yet, but it does look like it's going to sell. So watch out. How do you add the STC indicator? It's on TradingView. I forget which one it exactly is. I like this one right here that gives you the big dots. Like the big dots that you can see here. So these are like if this came down here and then it hit this and it hit red sell, I'd be like, all right, time. Holy shit. Hold on. This thing is going nuclear here. Oh boy. Oh boy. People are flying into those types of stocks, man. I'm up a lot of money on that, man. That's interesting. DraftKings is dirty today. Is it not caring? Because we've seen this a couple of times where DraftKings is just like, fuck it. I'll get a little bit. I'll get like a tiny little play on it. I'll chase it. It's literally a chase here. I'll get it's up 5%. I'll get two of these. Because like SPY's moving down here and it just does not give a shit. So we'll see what happens with this. I'm already up. It's just like oh, that filled me. Interesting. All right, let's see what happens over here. Amy Green. Amy, big green candle over here. I love to see that. All right, let's see what's going on with the micron. Again, stop losses on everything. What are the LMTs? 208%. Fucking Christ. Oxy looking good. UNG is fine. The microns are coming down now. The puts that I have, the DraftKings are just kind of flat. So let's see what happens with this. If it gets a couple more green candles, I'll be in and out. Baba's up. Yeah, I don't really like Baba just because of like the overall, like, I mean, I could trade it. I mean, we could definitely trade it, but 213% on Lockheed. Let's see. I'm watching these microns pretty closely. GME, nice little pop here. 124.89. All right, DraftKings are up a little. 206% on. Where the hell is Lockheed going, bro? This is just moon mission over here. Space. You chasing YOLO everything? Sometimes I do. Well, here's the thing. Like, I'm fine with taking a little bit of a risk with like a small amount of money on something that could go nutty, like a DraftKings, like we've done in the past when I'm already up a stupid amount. Check Exxon for me. It's been dropping. Yeah, I will. Let's see here. Arturo, thank you so much for the super. Can you explain like I'm 51348, been working a lot. I'm late. Okay, so you're going to need to watch the videos. It's just a crossover. It's the 13 EMA and the 48 EMA crossover with the 200 EMA to give you a better indication of the direction. But if you join the free part of the Discord, you get access to all the videos. They're out there on Gabe's channel. Anyway, RTX is running. Yeah, here comes Raytheon. Where's Boeing? Oops. Boeing could move here. Nope, Boeing not really doing a whole lot. Let's see. RTX. Yeah, okay. So the oil plays are not doing what I want them to do right now. Hold on. RTX is running here. Where's LMT? Is it getting a little sell candle here? Yeah, a little bit of a sell candle. Let's see what happens here. It still looks good. Why don't you like Baba? Because every couple of months, you're going to see the United States government come out and be like, we're going to delist Chinese stocks, and then they fall, and then it's not really my thing. All right, SPY moving back up here. The micron puts are probably going to go dead. Yeah, I'm going to cut that right now. Actually, hold on. Where is micron? Yeah, GME coming up. Yeah, I'm going to cut that. Hold on. I'll leave it for a little bit. I want to have something to the downside over here. Lockheed, what you doing over here, pal? Coming down. Where's it at on the 1 minute? Is it breaking? Okay, so it's just coming right back down to this 13 EMA like it's been doing. Charge point could be spicy. All right, let's see. Docu's ripping. All right, Lockheed's selling off now pretty big. All right, let me see. I kind of want to take it. Let's see. Arturo, thanks for the super crisp and concise answer. Thanks and good morning, dude. Good morning to you as well. All right, let's see. SPY moving. Where's RTX? That's on the 1 minute though. 5 minute looking good. Is it coming down to the 13 yet? No. I mean, that's a big drop that it would need to come all the way down to the 13. I'm going to leave this on the 1 minute and just kind of look at it, see what's going. Yeah. All right. I'm going to be out of this now. I think. Hold on. Where's it on the STC? Yeah. I can always get back in and play it again, but this is a dirty game. So I'm going to take that. So let's see here. All right. Filled it. Good. That was a massive gain. So let's see what happens over here. Everything's starting to flicker around a little bit. Took a giant gain back. Official BNA music. Thank you so much for the super. $20 ankles, 25 twerk. No. Am I still in Lucid? Yeah, I still have it. DraftKings. All right. Oxy, I'm not necessarily all that sure about right here. On the 1 minute. What about on the 5? 5, it's just kind of holding here. All right, let's see. It says shaft trend cycle. Took 35% gain on my lucid puts. Now my March 11th calls are moving up. There you go, pal. All right, let's see. The Micron puts are kind of dying here, which is fine. The DraftKings are down a little bit, but this could just be gearing up for another move back up. That's kind of what I see on DraftKings. Let me pull it up on this DKNG. Looks good still. Let me see on the 1 minute. Where's it coming down to? The 13. That's fine. Let's see if it bounces here. If it doesn't, maybe get out. All righty, folks. Oxy just holding, may test the 13, then rip on the 1 minute. Yes, I think so. Spy's moving back up here. All right, I think it's time to cut the mic on. Thank you very much. All right, let's see. All right, DraftKings trying to move here. Where's natural? My natural gas ones are holding really, really strong, like really strong. The premium on it. So let's see here. Amy, 1910. Here we go. Up 1.22%. Not bad. Spy's trying to make a little bit of a move back up here. Spy moving up. Yep. SoFi crossing on a 3 minute. Very interesting. Oleg, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Guys, you guys are so generous with the supers. You guys know you don't have to do that if you don't want to, but special shout out to those of you guys who do send those in. Thank you guys so much for all your support. Thoughts on Beyond long term. Thanks for the work. It's got high short interest. It does move pretty volatile. So you got to be careful with it. Just because of the fact that like it runs all over the place. Like it will have days where it absolutely goes crazy. I'm getting out of the ungs right now. I don't really like this. I mean, natural gas is selling off. If it comes back up, I mean, we can get a little spicy with it, but it's just not doing what I wanted it to, especially with what we're looking at on what natural gas is doing. So I still have the DraftKings and the Oxy. Those are the only two trades that I have right now. So I got out of the Lockheeds. Those were dirty. Where's Lockheed right now? We can always get back in. Yeah, I mean, this is still probably going to be good. I just wanted to take my profit because I was up so much money, and I was like, yeah, I don't want to leave this here. But Beyond's a weird one. Matthew, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Rock on 100K. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. Lucy trying to make a comeback. Spy's moving up here. All right, let's see if DraftKings is getting a little pop. Oxy's looking good. Oxy's looking really. Matthew, I really appreciate that, man. Thank you. Roblox looking across up. Spy's moving back up here. What do I want? Oxy? Just holding. It's literally just holding. It's just in this nice little flag here where it could just break at any minute. Grab some spy calls. Should take any minute now. Lucid's pushing. Pushing P. All right. 10% on Oxy. DraftKings. What you doing over here, pal? Chilling out a little bit, buddy? Chilling out, buddy? All right. Where's it at on the 1 minute? Right at the 13. So it's just kind of hanging around the 13 EMA on the 1 minute. Let's see what happens with this. Shill spotted. What's he doing? Do not buy AMC. Lol. When we buy, it goes down. Lol. Just leave it alone. That's just stupid. I feel like I know who you listen to. Don't buy AMC. It makes the price go down. That's silly. The VIX is creeping. Uh-oh. Shillion here. Yeah. All right. Let's see. Where's Occidental? I think DraftKings is going to be good, so I'm going to hold those. Oxy, there it is. Come on, get up there. SV should become a wrestler in his finishing move. The ankle breaker. Oh, so just heel hook people? That wouldn't be really ankle, though. You'd have to do like a, I forget what it's called. Bro, you ever get hit with a inside heel hook with a honey hole? Oh, you're going to be struggling. That's how I jacked up my knee from jujitsu. It's all screwed up now. So I did something and somebody rolled and my leg went like this. It was gross. All right, let's see. Whoa. Occidental's up 30% over here. Up pretty big on these. Here comes Oxy. Spy doing its thing over here. I mean, I'm up a decent amount. DraftKings are down a little tiny bit. Yeah, Oxy looking good. Let's see. The ankle lock. All right, Oxy do highs. I like this. Did you make your logo? I lose that font all the time, dude. It's in my. It's just Canva. I'm like it's just in my. I use it all the time in my thumbnails, everything. All right, 36% on Occidental. Thank you very much. We're printing today. You do jujitsu? No wonder you can take the pressure out of trading. Exactly, bro. Just relax. Sal, I did it for like 2 years and then I haven't been able to go in for a while just because I've been so busy. But I've been like boxing since I was 8. In the same time I was doing jujitsu, I was learning Muay Thai too. So, fun fact. I heard something big is happening in 2 days. Trust me, bro. Yeah, my Oxy call just hit 350%. There you go. Yeah, Occidental printing. I'm up 43% on these. These are kind of nasty. I am Print City today. This is fun. DraftKings, what are you doing, pal? It's not allowed. This nonsense, not allowed. All right. That was a fun fact. Who's my favorite boxer? I mean, right now it's got to be like Klitschko, doesn't it? Like, it's got to be. Or like Canelo's pretty cool. Tesla, what's up with Tesla? Is something going on with it? Hold on. Tesla giant candles, 1348 cross. Damn it, I've never YOLO'd Tesla. I think I did it once with you guys, then I got out right away because I was a little Tyson Fury. Dude, he looks like that character. I can't get it out of my head in Mario. I forget what it is. It's just a big dude with like little legs and he's just giant on top. Ungturn did it. I don't know. I got out of it. I didn't like it. I'm down to hold the Oxy. I mean, where's Occidental right now? I mean, it's running a little bit. Yeah, this is drunk. Like these are up 45% right now. Thank you very much. DraftKings being a shithead. Not gonna lie. Your age is showing. Dude, I'm 22. I never even played Mario. The only time I played Mario recently is like Mario Kart, like on a Nintendo Switch that I bought for somebody. My Lucid 2550 calls I got at open are up 130%. There you go. Wario. I don't think it's Wario. Is it? Let's see. Dr. A. I think it's that one. If you have a small account, you can blow it up in one play with Tesla. Too damn expensive. Yeah, it's true. It's very true. You could also like quadruple your account, but like, let's think about the negatives here and make sure that we're all right. All right, Oxy's just printing. SB, you should become a YouTube boxer. No, short the CTE. Nah, bro, I 100% have CTE. I've been playing football since like the 2nd grade. Not even, I mean, all through high school. I started boxing last year. It's the hardest sport for training. 3-minute jump rope, dude. The cardio that you need for boxing is just ridiculous. It's ridiculous. I don't have the cardio now. I can tell you right now, I don't have the cardio. It's just not there. It's non-existent. Let's see. All right, what are we at right now? 45%. Bing bong. There we go. DraftKings being an a-hole. Let's see here. You have CPE calls, took them over Oxy. That's not, I mean, whatever floats your boat, man. Whatever you're making the most money on. Like I'm up 47%. Very happy with it right now. Very happy with that. Amy coming up. Oxy new highs over here. I'm literally printing money on this. I'm having a great time. I'm gonna send this to my brother and be like, I'm the oil baron now. Let me see. Where is he? Let's see here. Oh shoot, hold on. All right, people. Oxy's coming up. Amy's doing all right over here. I mean, 1904 looking decent. Looking decent. Let me see. Where is he? He said this. All right, Oxy looking good. Amy coming up here a little bit, looking nice. Neo crossing. Eco, what's up, man? How you doing? All right, folks. Former high school level rugby player here. Try running 4 miles, running full speed into every telephone pole you come across. Why would you do that? That's just psycho behavior. All right. I just sent my brother a picture of like the percent up that I am, and I was just like, I'm the oil baron now. And he's like, no, I'm the oil baron. You just dabble. I'm like, all right, that's fair. Spy coming down now. That's probably gonna suck the life out of DraftKings. Yeah, that sucks. Oh, cool. I'm up 52%. Target ripped? Yeah, on earnings. That was nutty. That was nutty. Guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Also, again, it is the best time of the month to join the premium Discord. So if If you guys do want to hit these plays, like the crazy Locky play or the Oxy, or Oxy wasn't one, but a lot of these 1348 plays, they have that. So here's the thing: anytime a stock makes a giant move in the market, there will be a 1348 cross behind it. Now we have a bunch of people in the Discord, but we like it. It always helps to have more eyes on it, especially if you guys see somebody call something out and it ends up being a giant runner on a 1348 cross. Well, cool, you just made 500%. And you paid for the Discord for 3 years, like. It is the best time to join now, and you guys should definitely consider it. Even just bare minimum, learn the strategy so you guys can be a not a productive member, but like be active in finding these crosses in trading here. Let's see, and the link to that is in the top of the live chat over there. Is it Oxy popping or popping Oxy? It's both right now. Let's see. All right, DraftKings coming back. I mean, you're just a freaking money printer today, man. This is nutty. What's a 1348? Oh, where have you been, my man? Trevor, thank you so much for the super. I'm around $902 for Tesla resistance. Thoughts? Let me look. I'll tell you where I see it. What's this? This is 965. What's this? 920. What's this level right here? I'd say 920. I would honestly say 920. Or what's no, hold on. I'm trying to look for one. 877. I would say 920. Right around 920 would be where I would see the little resistance on Tesla. But I mean, there's going to be levels in between. Like, yes, you could be completely 100% right at 902. Just according to like the supply and demand zone levels, that's where I would see it. Pushing B, pushing boots. All right. Relax, folks. Oxy. Oh, printing. Oh, man. 88% on Oxy calls. Dude, if I go up 88% on Oxy calls, I'm going to lose my mind. 60%. Boom. Amy coming up here a little bit. 1909. Spy's trying to make a little bit of a move. Where's DraftKings? Don't be a shithead, DraftKings. Amy coming up here. 1913. Here we go. Check the Twitter. 3 picks on the daily chart on AMC. There's a pennant breakup potentially. Also higher volume right now. Okay, let me look. Yeah, if we break that, what is it? 1994? Is that where the line is on that one the first one? Yeah. Okay, interesting. DraftKings being a shithead. Spy's just not having fun today. Where's Occidental? Oh, Oxy, you crazy boy. Oxy 400% now. Dude, I've literally we've turned all of you guys into freaking oil barons. You crazy people. I mean, I'm only up 63%, but I did go big on it. All right, let's see what we get over here. You bought more the next day more. And when people ask, don't have enough, I said more. There you go. Been paper trading for the last little while to get comfortable. So now I'd like to get an options count. Anything I should know going in? It's really volatile. Lucid. Hey guys. I think I probably with the first trade of the day probably made 5 or 6 times what I lost on the Lucid Strangle. It's fine. Lucid is trying to cross though. So if you guys are going to come over here and be like, you lost on the Lucid, it's like, that's the point. You're supposed to lose on the earnings. That might come off the wrong way. You're not supposed to lose, but the odds are against you every single time for earnings. So that's why when you hit an earnings play, it's so big. So you have to go in thinking I'm going to lose 9 times out of 10, but that one is going to put me way into the green. That's what I mean by that. Space hit 10. Is it selling? Oh no, Space is coming up here. 1348 cross on Space. Ooh, baby. All right, now I'm up. Holy Oxy. Hold on, people. Hold on. Hold your horses. Yeah. Oxy, print. Sell it all except AMC and buy more AMC. This is what Ethan. Relax, buddy. Mara. Is Mara gone? Where's Mara? Up or down? Nah, nothing yet. Spy's just kind of hanging out here. Where's Locky? Did I botch that or no? Nah, I'm happy with the Locky trade. RTX was another one that we could have looked at. It's all right over here. Oh, Sam Lee, thanks for the super. I appreciate that, buddy. We are the Oil Barons now at STV's brother. Dude, let me say, hold on. I'm going to send him a picture of this. That is funny. That is funny. That is hilarious. All right, people, we're having fun today. Oxy, how are we doing? Just printing over here. All right. 1348 cross on charge point. Oh my god. All right, let's do it. No, that's not a good one. Shark fin. Spy moving down here. My first 1348 today was Oxy, and I'm up 70%. Grape ape. There you go, buddy. There you go. Love to see that. Let's see. So far about the cross on the 5-minute. I might just play the earnings on it. Cost borrow increase on Amy. Did it now? No. No, it did not. No. TLT. Oh, yeah. Yeah. TLT's coming up a little bit. GME with a candle to the downside. Oil futures extend gaze. Brent crude up $7 a barrel. Jesus. All right. That's kind of craziness over here. So 80% on Occidental. Jesus Christ. Trey's mustache up 102% on Oxy right now. Trey's mustache. Do you know what happens when you're up 100%? Do you know what you can do if you have an even amount of contracts? I'm not telling you to do it. I'm just saying, like, we've been talking about like trading strategy and stuff, and like protecting and making sure we're making sure like that we're keep taking our gains. All I'm gonna say is be careful. Just be careful. You can hold it if you want. I think Oxy is going to continue to go up. I'm not up 100% on it, and I don't have an even amount of contracts. I should have. I've only got like 3 of them, but they're up a lot. Like, this is a big gain. This is 2 big gainers on the day today. Yeah, it's the whole make it free thing. I always now in this marketplace will be making it free. That's what we did on Mara, make it free. Yeah, I mean, I'm always making stuff free. Just why not? Like, because then you're literally playing with house money. You're good to go. And Riot yesterday, I didn't make Riot free yesterday. I took it like the whole thing at 40%, but I mean, that's fine. Just got here, caught Para, Oxy, and XOM on the cross. Busy day, but big gains. There you go, man. All right. Let's see what we get. Where's Ung? Did I botch this or no? Nah. I mean, Ung just flickering around. What if I'm up 600%? I mean, you can easily make it free. You can sell half, and literally, this is the thing. If you're up giant on a trade and you sell half, or if you're Lockheed coming back, fucking where's RTX? That would be the one that I would go for. Yeah. All right. This is what we're gonna do here, quick. Lockheed's just too expensive. It's just too much. Too much. And we're gonna dick around with this a little bit. If those are gonna start to get a little momentum, where's Lockheed right now? It could help. Yeah, Lockheed coming back. All right, I got a little RTX YOLO because I shouldn't have done that. That's how I got myself into trouble yesterday. I really shouldn't have done that. By crossing down on the 5-minute in this candle. Yeah. I would play it below 433.41. That's where I would start to get in on stuff. Oxy selling off here a little bit. RTX, what's this doing? Yeah, there it goes. Overstock is killing it, up 86% on the calls. There you go. Can you make premium free? No. SV, every time I enter a trade, I get anxious. Any words of wisdom for me? Trade with an amount of money that you're willing to see go down. And this is the other thing you have to think about. If you're trading with a bigger amount of money and you have a 20% stop loss, are you fine with losing 20% of that money that you're putting in? If you are, there's nothing to be worried about. That's how I try to view things. But sometimes it's hard. Like, I do it all the time. I paper hand stuff constantly. You guys see me do it every single day almost. That I'll be like, all right, time to get out. Or if it goes down, I'm like, I don't like this. And I freak out. It's just something you have to learn. Like, I'm getting better at it. When I trust the strategy with 1348, I don't really anymore mess up trades in a big way with 1348, just because I know the strategy and I look at stuff and I'm like, all right, this is how things should move. So that's kind of how I look at things. But it's a little bit more difficult when you're like, when you don't know. It's that uncertainty element. I want to paper hand these Oxys at 1,770%. I mean, you might want to do that. All right, these Raytheons are doing good. Let's see here. Playing more defense stocks. Let's see. The DraftKings are down 20% now. That's the stop loss. Bye-bye. Thank you very much. Perfectly fine with taking that L right there. Goodbye on DraftKings. 78% on Occidental right now. I mean, that's just ridiculous today. Spy's trying to move here. Talk me off the edge on what? You keep cutting stuff too quick like Oxy today. Profit's profit, man. Like, that's kinda what you gotta do. Like, profit is profit. AMC right now, 18.97, doing good. Let's see. I mean, the Raytheon, I'm up to 1.72%, 79% on Occidental. I mean, how's my Micron puts? I sold them actually. I didn't like it, but they're probably if you had them, I ditched it, so I paper handed a little bit. Yeah, so I mean, I'm fine with that sell over here right now. I thought Micron has the ability to just really tank, and really go up. Sonko tracker cost to borrow up. Yeah, to what though? Like 1 point something. What is it? Let me take a look on the Sonko tracker cost to borrow for Amy. Sonko tracker, AMC. Yeah, 1%. That's nothing. Like that's not a it's a negligible difference. All right, let's see. What am I up now? No. Holy shit. All right, where's Raytheon? RTX. Yeah, if it breaks 104.34, it'll go. If it doesn't, I mean, I'm up like 2% on it. Let's see what happens with it here. SPY coming down. Lockheed's probably moving back up. That's my guess over here with fear. Just kind of holding here. Let's see. Down a little bit, up 81% on Occidental. Still absolutely sparking the market maker today. SPY cross. Yeah, I would watch it below the low of the day. That's kind of where I would look at it. You can start scaling in now if you really wanted to, but I'd be careful. Raytheon. Yeah, it's not. I mean, I'm going to abide by the stop. I mean, Oxy's still looking really good. Occidental over here. Where's this? Yeah, I mean, it's still looking fantastic. So watch SPY on the way down here. Where's UVXY? Because you could play UVXY and have a little bit of a better trade on it. I think just because of see, the SPY contracts expire tomorrow, so they're going to be a little bit more expensive. That's the only thing I don't like about the SPY today. Like usually I'm very down to play SPY puts. It's right at that low right there, 41. It's really close. Let me take a look here. Damn, these are freaking expensive, bro. All right, just broke the low of the day. Looks like it might come down. I don't want to spend a bunch of money on this. Like, this sucks. All right, Oxy's selling a little here. What did I get on RTX? Yeah, 5% down, 80% up on Occidental. How do I sell half of Oxy? You have half. So if you have like an even amount of contracts, you just sell half of them. All right, SPY is just being a dumbass over here. All right, here's what we're going to do. All right, 1348 cross down on the SPY. Doesn't look too good. I only got one contract. I'm playing it small. RTX, what's this doing? Is it coming up on fear? Nope. BLT cross up. Uh-oh. Be careful with oil stocks news coming out. News on what, though? Yeah, what's going on? Oxy, a little red over here. SPY flickering. All right, what do we got here? Crude is at 103.58, dude. Like, this is ridiculous. Not touching SPY today. That Oxy, bro, dude, it's great. I mean, I'm having a great time with it. All right, so I did get a SPY put. It's pretty deep out of the money. I probably should have thrown more money at it. Just because it expires tomorrow, it probably won't go as nutty. And then I might cut the Occidental at 70%. I'll sell two of them right here. I'll sell two. I want to get it for this though. I want to steal it. I'm feeling steely. You gonna fill me on this, pal? Oh, you bitch! Don't be a bitch. Come on. Sorry, I have a potty mouth today. All right. So I sold two of the Occidentals. Still have one riding it out. It's at 67% right now. I don't know if that made it free. It might have. I don't know. We'll see. So I'll hold this for a pretty long time going into the rest of the day, see if oil's going to get a little bit of a move. Oxy does this. So here's the thing with Occidental. If oil's ripping, like Oxy should be going up. But if the market starts to capitulate like this, it's going to drag it down until it doesn't, and then it goes. So where's Raytheon? Okay, hold on. All right, Amy's getting a big red over here too, just along with the SPY. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna ditch the Raytheon. See if the market maker will fill me at that. Oh, they did. All right, so I ditched the Raytheon. Still literally crushing it on most things. The SPY put that I have it's just kind of flat here. I got 72% on this Oxy right now. Let's see what happens with it going into close. Took the profit, made a lot of it free. Absolutely murdered it on Lockheed and Oxy this morning so far. So everything's looking really good. 40% on your forward puts. There you go. Russia's expulsion of 12 diplomats from the U.S. A hostile act. Interesting. UVXY and TLT up. It's probably going to come down, I think. Yeah, it might. It might. So just be careful if you are playing calls or if you're riding some stuff out. Be careful. We're just kind of riding the trends today. How much settled cash do I have left? Oh, a boatload. Here we go. TLT. How's my strangle on TL? Oh man, this is probably nutty. Okay. So listen to this, everybody. My TLT strangle now is in the green, but my call side is up 143%. So that TLT strangle that I was telling all you guys about, I mean, it's paying right now. It's doing pretty good. So this is probably going to go a little nutty. They're March 18th calls and puts. The Oxy chilling, the SPY puts are up 5% over here. Let's see what happens with this. But TLT is on the way up here. And these now they're up 160%. So that strangle's good. LMT's coming back up. Yeah, what happened with our Raytheon? No, nothing. So Raytheon's not really the one. Lockheed is kind of the one that yeah. So I'm not touching it anymore. I already made like $500-600 on, I think it was like 550 on Lockheed today. That was an absolutely dirty trade. And then crushed it on Oxy. That was really good. 21% on 4 SPY Putins. There you go. I mean, I'm up 7%. OXY. Is oil still going up? So this is what I look at now. When the SPY's coming down like this, is oil still going up? Yes. Oil's now at 104. Good job, 2 for 2 today. Well, it wasn't 2 for 2. I was in and out of some other plays as well, but the ones that hit were really big winners. 30% now. What are mine? 7.5, 8%. The Oxy is 69% right now, or 70% right now. Not bad. Still got some money on that one. Let's see what happens. Strangle is playing both ways, just hoping for a big move either way. Exactly, Jim. Exactly. Also, guys, if you don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream just helps it a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all your support today and every single day. Shout out to all the new members. You guys are awesome. Hopefully, you guys are making some money. And again, if you guys do want to, if you do want to take it to the next level, let me see. Oh, hold on. All right, let's see here. Yeah, SPY puts are doing their thing over here. Oxy might make a little bit of a move back up. Ung's still having a good day. We can always get back into Ung. That's kind of what I'm looking at here. Yeah, so Ung is now starting to come up. I could get those same contracts for cheaper now, I think. Just a little time decay on it. Natural gas. Yeah, natural gas is going. All right, let's see. Where's Boyle? I actually want to try out Boyle. I haven't traded options on Boyle. So we can try out Boyle because it's oil and natural gas. So if they're both going to go, I mean, we could try that out. That's a day trade though, because they're going to be, they're going to be a little nonsense. Wow, they're expensive. Is there anything else? Gush, maybe? Gush is a decent one that we could look at. Holding here. Amy, 1877 right here. SPY coming back up a little tiny bit. Where's Oxy? Chilling. Ung coming up. Yeah, Ung is starting to move. You know what? It's 1603 right here. Hold on. Hold on. All right, everybody. SPY using 200 EMA support on the 15-minute. Is it now? Where's it on the 30? It did it on the 30 too, sort of. So we'll see what happens here. What are the SPY puts at? Mine are probably down a tiny bit. Maybe they're up still. Yeah, they're down a little bit. 67% on the Occidental still. Looking solid across the board. Ung, where's natural gas here? Whoa, crash test dummy. Thank you so much for becoming a member, man. I really appreciate that. Wow, shout out to all the members, guys. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for all your support. Let's see. 1348 noob. Got it a couple days before my money hit, so I could get to know a bit. Excited for tomorrow. Dude, there we go, man. Microvision's ripping. Is there a cross? Oops, that's MVIX. That's not what we want. I mean, it's up 3% on the day, coming down to test that 13. SPY's coming back up here. I'm gonna abide by all the rules with the SPY and everything. 66% on the Oxys still. AMC just kind of holding that 200 EMA on the 5-minute over here at 1870. Can we get AMC or text for the day? Of course you can. So let me refresh this right here. We've got 295,000 shares returned, 20.08% estimated short interest, 102.85 million shares estimated to be short. Very weird because they're saying they're returning shares, but the estimated short interest is down. Honestly, Ortex, bunch of nonsense. Bunch of nonsense. Over 50% profits on Opsy and DraftKings, 2 for 2. Woo! Pops. There you go, buddy. Yeah, let's see. Oxy's still good. Snap crossing the 4. Yeah, what are the okay? So the TLT, I mean, that's good, dude. That is really freaking good. I mean, the puts are down 76%, but the calls are up 157%. Like, that's insanity over here on TLT. So that strangle's looking really good going into March. TLT still looking strong coming up. Let's see. Thanks, brother. Damn, that bar rate isn't moving at all crazy. Yeah, it's just nonsense, man. Riot crossing down. Hold on. More puts. Yeah. I mean, wait, what did we just have up? TLT. So watch out below on the SPY. It was getting it. Let's see. You're up 80% on USO contracts. My man, there you go. Yeah, USO looking good over here. Where's Occidental? Is this coming back to life? It's trying. Not yet, though. There's a pennant breakout potentially. Yeah, right at that one level you were showing, right? Crude oil blowing off the roof off with gasoline news. Hold on, what are they at now? 104.36. Natural gas is coming up. Dude, Brent oil is up. I mean, the oil's up 9% today. This is freaking insanity. So I'm gonna hold that last Occidental contract. I mean, it's pretty deep in the money now. I think I have the 46.50. I think that's what it is. Let me look. Yeah, I've got the 46.50s. So that's what I had before. I sold 2 of them. I'm keeping the last one. Broke the stove. What do we got here? Yeah, I saw that one. Yeah, the little pennant breakout. We easily could get above that. SoFi 1348 cross. Hold on. What do we got over here? Downside. All right, SPY's moving back up here a little bit. All right, the SPY puts, I mean, 74% on the Occidental. Not doing too bad over here. You read so damn fast. It's incredible. Dude, you gotta, when the chat starts flying, you gotta really go for it. Expecting SPY to sell hard today and tomorrow. Yes, I'm, yeah, Dan, I've got that little SPY Putin. It's down a little bit. Oh, nice. 82%, 83% on Occidental. Here we go, Oxy. There we go, pal. Let's see. My guy lives in 1.5x speed. Yeah, pretty much. Still gonna abide by the stop on the SPY. If it hits 20%, I mean, I'll be up. Whoa, hold on. Jesus, dude. Here goes Oxy. It's trying, man. It's trying. So this is the thing that I'm trying to explain. Since we've been watching so much oil, like it's like oil's ripping right now. Like it's about to hit 105. So I honestly might hold these Oxys going into the rest of the week. I honestly might buy contracts deeper out of the money. Just because of this oil move. But if the SPY comes down, it's going to drag Oxy down a little bit. But once it starts to pop up or settle a little bit and consolidate, that's when these oil stocks can start to make a move. So maybe I'll go with USO, United States Oil. Like it's starting to come up here. Like I do like that. So let's check it right now. USO. I'm going to go really, really, really small just to see what we can get. So this 76, 87, 60, 72. Yeah, this is ripping here. All right, let's wait and see on this. I don't know. I'm not going to do anything yet. When I say Oxy's up 83%, I'm up 80% on my options trade. That's what it is. So now they're up 77%. So Amy popping off that 200 EMA over here. Not bad. Over 100% on LMT and Oxy, 50% on Tesla done for the day. Dude, there you go. Hopefully you're in that Discord too, because I mean, there's a lot more in there than you're getting on here. Trust me. Market's boring today. Market's exciting today. We're making lots of money over here. New pair of scissors be your head. I think he's saying no. All right. Guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. If you guys are making money today on any of these trades, make sure you guys help out, engage, hit that like button and turn those notification bells on too to make sure you guys are notified when I'm posting content. Let's see here. Dash. Woo! Thanks for becoming a member, buddy. I appreciate that. Guys, again, this is the best week of the month. It's join the Discord. So if you guys want to get up on all these plays, you know where to find us. The best Discord that exists. All right, here we go. Did you cut the LMT? Yeah, I cut that a while ago. I think I made like 150% on it. Is it running back up again? Yeah, I've been out of Lockheed. Spy flicker in here. Where's Occidental? Ooh, Oxy. Still up 73%. USO up 90%, $75 contract expire this week. Should we get a member squeeze going since we're absolutely printing? You guys don't have to do that if you don't want to. The membership is just for those of you guys who want to help out and support the channel. You guys don't have to do that. Same thing with the supers, guys. I know people freak out about those. You guys don't have to do that if you don't want to, but special shout out to those of you guys who do. Let's see here. YOLO my $100 account into AMC calls for earnings. I would not do that. I would stop doing it. I would not YOLO anything crazy. Discord $69 a month. Sam Lee, thanks for becoming a member, buddy. I appreciate that. Ung was a good play. Yeah, it might be time to cut the last Oxy. Let me look at it on the STC. This would be about the time that it would start to trigger a sell, I think. It's coming soon. It's coming soon. So I'll watch it at this 13 EMA over here on the 5-minute just to kind of wait and see what it's going to do. Huge news. EU's accept Ukraine application to join the EU. Yeah, we saw that, man. That was pretty crazy. Appreciate you, STV. Lazy Gato. I appreciate you, man. Let's see here. Let me take a look. See. Are you YOLOing any YOLO calls for AMC earnings? Probably not. All right. What do we got over here? %48 now on the Occidental. SPY puts down like 6%. I'm going to hold that. 5%, 4%. Ooh, SPY drop. So let's see what we get. Cut that Oxy. I mean, I already pretty much made it free. So I'm just looking on the Yeah, there it is. The STC just triggered. Bye-bye Occidental. Thank you very much. Bye-bye In and Out. Thank you very much. Sold it. Wow. Wow. This is a great trading day so far. TD Ameritrade has blocked USO. Why did they do that? All right, the SPY put's coming back to life over here. So let's see what happens with this. All right, man. Let's see. TD Ameritrade blocked USO. That's weird. Did they? USO. Fine. All right. The only play that I have now is this SPY put for tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to hold it, but I mean, the Lucid's kind of dead. I'm going to hold that. The TLT play is really good. That was a really good swing trade that I've had. It's basically a hedge. That's essentially what it is over here. 56% gains on Oxy. Yeah, I'm liking the SDC indicator Gabe mentioned. Yeah, dude, I like that one. It's pretty good. It's like a better MACD is essentially what it is. Guys, also, if you don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream on your way in helps out a whole lot with the algorithm, getting some more people in. Are you ready for March 3rd? Funny. I'm looking at USO right now on TDA. Yeah. Can you tell us what that buy sell indicator is on? It's the STC. It's the shaft trend cycle. It's not a buy sell indicator. It's just, I don't use it to buy. I use it as like an indication of when to sell. That's kind of what I use it for. It's one of the things that I use that's like, all right, it might be time to get out of your position. And it worked really. I mean, it bounced off of the 13 right here. So Oxy could go on another run today and we'll play it again. SPY's coming down a little bit here, but let's see. The STC is not on Webull. It's the shaft trend cycle. Okay. All righty, folks. Let's see here. Yeah, no, the STC is not on Webull. SPY should continue to drop until, I mean, I'm looking for that new low, 432.31. So it's got a little bit of a ways to go over here if it wants to do that, but Oxy's coming down now. I'm really happy with the Oxy and LMT trades that we have today. Those were dirty. Dirty. All right, what do we got over here now? Okay, let's see. Up 73% on an AMC call. Do I dare hold through earnings? You can do whatever you want. I personally don't like holding a lot of stuff through earnings just because it's a little bit wild. But you got to do what you got to do here. Mm-mm-mm. Let's see. Dominion Energy. Yeah, Oxy's coming down now. I'm very happy with that sell. Right now I am. Dominion Energy. Might get a crossover here. SPY slowly making its way down. Show us the STC. It's right here. Right here. So what happened was Oxy hit it right here. This is where I get out. So it is a buy sell. You can use it as buy sell. But it's like a MACD essentially is kind of what it's doing. I mean, it's got like EMAs and stuff on it. But that's essentially what it is. All right, team. What do we got going on now? What do we want to trade now? Future play on Oxy again? I mean, we could. I mean, where's oil right now? Is that 105 yet? Nah, 104.17, coming down a little bit. Natural gas still in the high. Yeah, it's on TradingView, and I believe it's on Thinkorswim too. You can get it. All right, SPY puts are up. Hold on. Let's see. All right, let's see. SPY in a slight downtrend. Yeah, that's why I have these puts on it. It's just, I mean, 1348 cross. I just don't like it because the puts are for tomorrow, and you can't unless the SPY capitulates and comes to the lower end of this box over here. Then we're just gonna take a tiny gain on the SPY. Let's see, halted again on what? SPY is just flickering here. All right. Hard to borrow on your account on what? If we beat EPS, which is minus 25, yeah. Beat our revenue, which is at 1 point. Well, the revenue estimate that AMC has, so that estimate 1.1 billion, they already came out. We're looking at 1.17 billion. So it's a beat. It's not a giant beat, but it is somewhat of a beat. Let's see here, guys. Also, for everybody new filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. It helps out a whole lot. ATXI. Yeah, that one was going up a little bit. ATXI. Halted again. Jesus Christ, this thing is volatile. All right, SPY moving up here a little bit. Where's the 1 minute? Okay. I mean, they're not moving that much, which is fine with me. Oxy to 49. All right. What do we want here? I see SPY in a descending triangle. Yeah. All right. Oxy doing its thing over here. All right, folks. Am I crazy if AMC's kind of a head and shoulders? That'd be a bummer enduring. It wouldn't really. It wouldn't. It doesn't matter. Like, it doesn't matter what it does the day of earnings. Like, if it's gonna beat earnings and the buyers are gonna step back in, it literally doesn't matter what the technical setup is going into it. Doesn't matter. UNG is moving. All right. Back on the young 1650s. We've been doing this so many times. All right. Let's see what we can get on this. I mean, the premiums hold pretty good on this. Where's natural gas right now? Yeah, it's ripping. So I'm gonna take a little bit of a gamble here. Kind of see what we want to get on UNG. Let's see if this will fill. It's a slow mover. SPY rip. Jesus. That was a big boom on SPY. Jesus. This thing's ripping back up. All righty, folks. That was a pretty nasty rip. Right up to that 13 EMA over here. All right. What are the SPY contracts at over here? Yeah. All right. We'll see. Let's see. You have 20K in Mullen. I don't mind the sell today, but I didn't think it would go below 120. I mean, that's what I was saying. I was like, it's gonna come down at some point. It has to. They won't beat on EPS, but they will beat on revenue. I think that's likely. All right. Let's see what happens with Ung over here. I think it looks good. I think Ung can go on a little bit of a mission over here. Let me leave this up on the SCC to kind of give me a little look-see. Looks solid. Looks solid. All right, Spy. What you doing here, pal? It must be nice to have an unlimited supply of synthetic shares. It must be nice. Let's see. Are you going to stream the earnings call? Yes, I am. I'm going to leave the afternoon stream on basically the entire time. I'm just going to go right through. Hold on. Let's see. I don't know. I do like Ung right here with natural gas going on a little bit of a moon mission right now. A little bit of a sell-off on UNG. I do like this though. I think Ung can get back. I mean, we've seen it at these levels a lot. Like we've seen it rip up to like 17, 16. I think it can get there, especially if natural gas is going to get a little bit of buying pressure over here. Spy coming up. All right, hold on. What time's the earnings call? 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Wow, spy puts are holding, man. I hope AMC sells popcorn in Canada. That'd be pretty cool if they did, man. Let's see here. Alrighty, team. Damn, that TLT is looking Ung. Let's see. All right. You're up 32% on your Ung 1650 calls that expire 3-4. There you go, bud. That's awesome. AREB is a military stock, cheap too, 660,000 shares only. If they dump it though, that sucks. Like that's the problem with those. The low floats. If somebody buys it, it rips. If they dump it, it just tanks. That's what I'm worried about with some of those. Natural gas still looking good. It's up 3.82%. Let's see what happens with this. I think it can get on a little bit of a moon mission. So let's see here. AMC won't BPS, but still moves up to the call to the debt. They didn't move up the call. They didn't move up the call. They didn't do anything. They just never had a confirmed date. That's the thing that I want everybody to understand about earnings. And this is what I was trying to get ahead of. AMC never had a confirmed date. They never scheduled anything, nothing. That was just the estimates from like the exchange. So when AMC then comes out and is like, oh, we're going to do it on March 1st, they're not moving anything. If they announced something and then moved it, that's a moving it up or something, but they didn't move anything. So Spy flickering around over here. I mean, I do have a decent amount of Ung right now. Oxy completed the recess of 13 EMA. Time to push again. Let me look. I don't know. If it starts to go, that'd be pretty sweet for you guys that are still holding. It is coming up here a little bit. Amy, 1881 over here. I mean, it's down 5 cents today. It's holding pretty flat. Spy moving down a little bit here. Oxy just kind of chilling. UNG, kind of doing this thing over here. Holy Oxy. Yeah, dude. Oxy was crazy. Oil hit 104. Yeah, I know. It's it almost hit 105. It's coming down a little bit now. So it's at 103.70. Let's see what happens with natural gas. It's selling off a little bit here. I don't know. We'll see. I do like the stock. Got a few 100% stock gains. There you go, M. Crease. Love to see that. All right, Spy just doing its thing over here. I'm going to leave these Ungs for a little bit just to kind of wait and see what they're going to give me on this. Down 10% on them. It's just kind of the spread. Spy moving down a little here. Some others down 50%. There you go. What if AMC rips the ankles in the after hours at close? Nah. How's my lucid strangle? Shitty. Down. Both sides down. Lucid strangle sucked. I need a lot of help from the Spy. Let's see. Yeah, no. They're not going to be they're not going to do a dividend. I mean, it's like almost impossible for them to do so. Like Adam Aaron told us when we could think about one, and it's the Q2 earnings date. It's when we have that one. So we're gonna get Q1 earnings, and then Q2. Then we can start talking about okay, maybe they might be considering it, but right now, nah, none of that for earnings. Let's see here. All righty, folks. So, U.S. and allies agree to emergency release of 60 million barrels of oil. Doesn't that flood it with supply, and that's bad? And that pushes prices down? I think that's what that does. I'm not sure though. That I do not know for sure. Spy moving up here a little bit. Amy trying to come up. Where's Ung? I think Ung is just gearing up for another little move up. Let's see. You buy AMC shares almost every week. There you go, man. Love to see that. All right. Spy puts are down a little bit. I mean, I'm still cranking today. So let's see what happens with this Ung. Let's see. All right, Spy moving down. Ung just chilling at 1608. Amy 1876, just kind of moving around. Alrighty. Alrighty, folks. How are you? This is so bad with it down 15%. They were pricing in like 16% for earnings. So that's not good. Like if they are pricing in 16%, it only moves like 12 or 15. Like it's well within it's like within the expectation, which is not really like what you want on it. Is this at the 13 on the Huh. Okay. I'm going to go with a tighter stop on the BP cross down. Hold on. Yeah, BP is not having fun today. I'm going to go with a tighter stop on these UNGs. I'm going to do 15% on it just because like natural gas is selling off a little bit and I want to make sure the spread doesn't kill me. Looks like they are pricing in 50% on Amy. Did I calculate that right? Probably. Amy would be pricing in a lot. Last time they released oil, nothing really happened. Okay, that's fair. Fucking Ung. See, Ung just pisses me off sometimes. Let's see here. Portnoy's video about the hedge fund market makers and Robinhood cheaters was great. Everybody should watch. I actually haven't watched that yet. Let's see. We're on this 1 minute right here, flickering around on UNG. All right, let's see. Yeah, also, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. So what I'm watching for on Ung, I mean, I'm going to have a tighter stop on it just because I don't want to screw around. Russell still has much power available. U.S. defense official. You want to know if AA plans to list on the BSTX exchange? I don't think he's going to. We could, I mean, I don't know if they're gonna ask him that. I mean, that could be a question. But I don't think we get to ask questions this time. I don't think that's a thing. Amy, a little bit of a move up here. I mean, the UNGs are down about 10, 11%. Let's see what happens with it. Let's see. All right, folks. DraftKings running again? Is it now? It's just bouncing off that 13 EMA. Could get a little spicy. Spy's just kind of flickering around over here. Space broke my heart this morning. Couldn't hold 10. Yeah. I bet they have the negative articles ready to go as soon as the earnings are released. Yeah, they're going to talk about the debt. They're just going to be like, debt. And it's like, shut up. They're refinancing it. Stop being an a-hole. Ung. Back on the Ung train over here, people. Oh, Sachin, about Nancy? Yeah, we saw that. Yuka. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys are engaging with the stream, hitting that like button. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all the support. And again, for those of you guys that are interested in 1348, this week is the best time of the month to sign up for the premium Discord. You're going to get access to all of the live streams, all of the alerts, the 250 stocks on stock on like 350 stocks. You get those 3-minute alerts where you can then execute on the 5. Then you get the 4-hour alerts. And I think the 15 and 30-minute alerts as well. Works on crypto. We're getting all the stocks in the Russell 2000 for the daily. You get all the live streams and the strategy. It is the best time to sign up for that this week. The beginning of the month is always the best time you get the most value. So if you guys are interested in that, the link to that is in the top of the description over here. LMT on the move again. Yep, there it goes. Man, what's the high? Yeah, I mean, this thing's a little dirty. I'm not touching it anymore. I'm just going to kind of leave it be. Maybe tomorrow we'll go on. We'll go after it again, but it's fine. I mean, we crushed it. Let's see here. Alrighty. What do we got going on? Alrighty, folks. LMT is making this next move. It is right now. Yeah, it's moving. LMT is moving. Spy's coming up here. Where's natural gas? Natural gas is selling off on this. I'm probably going to say fuck it and leave. Oops, that's wrong. UNG. Nah, it's coming up. That's not bad. I had my first red day in a while yesterday. Only lost $30 because I followed the rules. Perfect. Perfect. That's exactly what you want. I'm finally going to be able to join the Discord after today's gains. There you go, Anna. Can we get questions to AA? I don't think we can right now. I don't think that's a possibility right now. I don't know. You could ask him. You could ask him on Twitter. You could shoot him a message and see if he responds. Spy puts her down a little bit. Still going to abide by the stop on that beast over there. And let's see what we get on UNG. All right. When SCV goes to lunch, if you guys haven't seen the Dave Portnoy video, go check it out. Yeah, definitely. I haven't seen it yet. I'll take a look at that. All right. Spy's moving up here. All right. I'm going to cut these puts just because I don't want them and I don't care. Oh, it filled me. Wow. Stole it. What do you think about TLT, a little run? I've already got the strangle. I'm not going to play it anymore. It looks good. My strangle's up pretty nicely right now on it. I'm holding it. So the call side's up 148%. So that's helping out a whole lot. Let's see. Spy about to cross on the 5-minute MACD. Yeah, to the upside. So I'm not touching Spy anymore. TLT is coming up a little bit here. Where's UNG? And then I'm going to take a look at where natural gas. Yeah, it's just holding flat. So UNG does this. This is kind of what I got to get used to on natural gas. Sometimes it just stays here for a while before it goes. Just join the Discord. Super pumped. Moonwalker. There we go. Make sure you're keeping out on the lookout for all of the. So we're about to do, I think, one of those live streams during the day, private for the Discord. It's going to be me and Gabe. TMI usually pops on in the beginning, but Gabe had something to take care of this morning. So, but we do those during the day for all of you guys. You get all three of us. Then we do the Sunday night and Monday night ones, and you get all the alerts too, and all access to the strategy. So, guys, best time of the month to do it. So you might as well, like, really, we've seen it. Like, if you need the proof, we do it every single day here that this strategy is really, really, really powerful. So make sure you guys check it out. Like I get it. It's like, yeah, it's just another Discord, blah, 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 blah. This is not one of those stupid Discords where it's like, buy this, sell this. No. You learn the strategy and we give you a very, very powerful tool to make it super easy to use it. Also, just join the Discord. There you go. You got out of the spy put. Yeah. Private, like yesterday, that was, Gabe hasn't used Restream before, so that was a little bit of an oopsie. But they will be private going forward. He did one at the end of the day yesterday. So if you guys are in the Discord, we got that one yesterday. Gabe was on there. 1750, I think, on what? Yeah, you're gonna actually try the strategy this month when my cash comes in, dude. Learn the strategy, hop in, like, we're good to go. Like, let's do it, man. Let's see. I'm looking for the link. Let's see. 1348 changing my life. Me too, bro. I haven't had very many red days with it. You're up on my lucid put. How's your call? I have two puts. Or no, I have puts and calls. I mean, my put is down. My call is down. On the struggle bus over here. What's the spread on this? Yeah, that kind of sucks. You're still in at 10%. There you go. I mean, it's coming down. I'm just kind of watching UNG over here. It's just flagging a little bit. Where's it on the 1 minute? Coming back down to the 13. Oh, no, it's coming down to 48. I didn't get the sell signal yet on the STC. So let's see what happens. Just join the Discord. You guys are not kidding. Tons of alerts already. I just need to learn more about the strategy. 3-minute and 4-hour alerts. Still confused? Yeah. So awesome. Good to be in there. Awesome to have you, Matt's Core's Rants. You're going to get a lot of alerts. But what you have to do is you're going to get alerted on the 3-minute time frame if you're trying to day trade it. And then you pull up the chart on the 5-minute and then look and see if you want to execute. So it just allows you to see everything. Let's see. All right, the Ungs are shitting themselves over here. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Amy Little Pop, 1874. Spy down about 0.73. Ung is pooping. All right, tight stop on this one. Everyone is winning but me. Every time I get stopped out, then it goes the direction I want. But go closer to the money. If you get contracts closer to the money, they're not going to stop out as quick. So on the 5-minute, would I buy the week of on the options? Yeah, you can. That or I trade the daily spy with it. That's what I use with it a lot. Alrighty, folks. So make sure you guys hit that like button on your way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Let's see what we get over here, huh? All right, SPY moving back down. Where's natural gas? Is it up 4% yet? Teetering. When is Liquid IV going to sponsor you? I don't know, man. Hopefully soon. I mean, I haven't looked at the email. I don't think it got back to me. UVXY running. Yeah, UVXY was running a little bit early. It's up like 6-7% today, I think. UVXY. Oh, 8% now. UVXY getting up there. So watch out below on the SPY here. And let's see if those little inverse plays like the oils and stuff, the fear plays are going to come back to life. Maybe they will. Maybe they won't. Do you think Exxon is preparing for another run? I think that oil's chilling a little bit right now. I think oil is going to chill a little bit until something else happens. CFDs. So I think I don't have any experience with contracts for difference. They're slightly different than options. So I could look at them for you and figure out a little bit more on how to help, but we are loading up those Russell 2000 alerts so that on the daily time frame where you can trade shares with it. Why does it take so long for my money to settle my Webull account? It's annoying. It's 4 or 5 days. It's not that bad. You just got to schedule the deposits better. Like that's literally what it is. Like if you're not using the benefits of a margin account, you shouldn't have one. We should have played Ford. Well, the Discord probably alerted it. So, I mean, I can't see everything. That's why, like, yeah, I can see like a lot of things, but this little cross here, right? So here's the thing. Ford crosses back here in the pre-market, but then drops below the 200 EMA and then just tanks. Like that's an alert that you would have gotten in the Discord that like I just didn't see. SPY look out below. Not yet. Also, hello, Red Panda on fire. How you doing, man? Yeah, okay. So Ung just got that little sell signal on the STC. So I'm probably gonna ditch this, I think. I don't know. Let's see what happens. It's gotta come all the way back down here. I'm gonna still abide by this stop and see what happens with this STC over here. I'll throw it up on the 5-minute over here. Amy coming down, SPY moving down. Let's see what happens with natural gas over here if we're gonna get a pop. Not really. Let's see. Market seems to be taking a break from crosses. Yeah. What's the buy sell signal called? It's not a buy and sell signal. It's just it's the STC. I just use it to like give me a better indication of like when things are going to be maybe a time to get out. So guys, as you're filtering in too, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all the support recently. You guys are absolutely amazing. This is crazy. So thank you guys so much for all the support that you've been giving me recently. It's really, really, really cool. Amy coming down a little bit. SPY flickering around. eToro, zero commission, but bigger spreads. Yeah, that sucks. The SPY may react badly later. P stocks aren't going well. Kiev TV tower explosions. Poon may turn off gas Western Europe. Yeah, that's not good. Bought lumber, gold, and AMC this morning. There you go. Out of oil, you at 42, still holding relates. Yeah. I'm still in the UNG. I'm going to have that tight stop on it. So if it hits, I'm going to use it as 15% stop on it. I mean, it's down 12% right now, so it's getting there. So we'll see what happens with it, but we'll see. SEC is like a quicker MACD. Yeah, pretty much. It's like a MACD is essentially what it is. Yeah, SPY little pop here. Little poppy on the SPY. AMC, get your shit together. Let's move. Hey, relax. It doesn't have to move ahead of earnings. We're waiting for the earnings today. It could do anything that it wants today. And I'm like, all right, whatever. We got earnings after hours. Doubled my portfolio this week, and it's only Tuesday. Big stout. There we go, buddy. I love to see that. All right, folks. Yeah, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button again, and again, best time to join the Discord. Let's see, STC stochastic. No, that's the shaft trend cycle. I found out that the bank that's screwing me, but my lawyer is on them, aka TD Bank. Oh God, is the parent company to TD Bank? Yeah, bringing crooks in Canada and in the States. Yeah. They're all bad. They're all bad. Careful on Roblox, still above the 200. Yeah, Spy's just kind of flickering here, so be careful with all this. Where's natural gas? Holding, not doing a whole lot here. Don't yell at my girl like that. There you go, Rogue. Rogue civilian. There we go. War coming to an end when they start pushing up VIX. I don't know about that. Typically after the invasion, you do see a little bit of a pop. Oxy gonna rip again. I feel it in my beans. Can we just get USO to go? I want to hit another nasty play today. Come on, give me something. Oxy bouncing off the 13 on the 5-minute. Spy might cross 1348 on the 1 minute to the upside. Yeah, still below this 200 EMA though, so watch that. Oxy flickering here. I mean, I still very happy with my sell on Oxy. That was an absolutely nasty trade. Amy coming down 1854. They're selling it a little bit here. Let's see here. Yeah. All right, what do we got? Let's see. Spy gonna make that MACD cross? It wants to. It's close. What is this? Yeah, so on the next 5-minute candle, it probably will. As soon as Ukraine enters the EU, we're either looking at peace or World War III. I think so. Oh, MBC coming in. Spy about to go up. The prophet, the spy prophet has spoken. MBC comes in. Dude, are you going to press your little giant buy button at whatever market making institution you're working at or giant institution? Because I'd love to see it. Can you do it on UNG, please? Can you do it on UNG, MBC, please? Come on. Do you use volume and candlestick anatomy to confirm your 1348 entry seconds? Sort of. I mean, I look for like confirmation candles, but I don't. It's better to just keep it simple. That's why the strategy works. You don't overcomplicate it. You don't get any analysis paralysis. It's just simple. Very, very easy strategy that's not hard to follow, and everybody can replicate it, and it's effective. Extremely effective. That's why I can sit here and just make freaking crazy percent gains on Oxy and LMT and just be like, all right, whatever, it's going. Just hit my third XXXX amount on Amy, thanks to profits from 1348. Melvin Music, I love to see that, man. Thank you. That is awesome. No, it's your fault, SV. It's your fault, Mullen crashed. 600 Valley of Death. I fucking told you. What did I say? What did I say, bro? How do you use the Discord? There's just going to be little channels in there that you can navigate through. You'll get the alerts directly sent to your phone if you have notifications on for all the stock crosses. 600 Valley Death, told you to be careful. Told ya. I mean, I think it still could come back up, but again, it had to cool off. You cannot have it do this. Just boom. It's just not. It just cannot maintain that. I'm being a big poopy head. Silent pressure came out of nowhere. Bids were stacked. Level 2 books showed buyers / support. This looks like dark pool. Could be. Multiple Ukrainian television channels reportedly went offline after the blast. At least 2 large explosions occurred in immediate vicinity of the Kiev TV tower. Ooh, that's interesting. Who came up with the 1348 strategy? It's the most profitable 1348 or like EMA crossover strategy. There's research on it. We just took it and made an alert system for everybody and taught everybody the strategy and came up with our own little rules for it. All right, down about 10% on the UNG. Lost 3K profits last week on Spy Putin's and started with $100 again today and up 160%, getting 1348 tatted on me. Jose, there you go, buddy. Let's natural gas is holding. Let's see what Spy about to move down. I could see that. Let's see what happens with natural gas and Oxy. Testing it on the 5-minute. All right, that's probably hitting the stop right there. My mental stop. Not yet, actually. Not yet. Let's see. Come on, Oxy. It might go. Where is it right now? Where is it? Amy coming down. Not yeah. Everything's starting to slowly filter to the downside over here. Where's natural gas? Yeah, everything is just moving slow. I hate to say this, but I'm thinking of unsubscribing. Too many clickbait videos equal margin calls. Bro, oh my God, old Moiser. When I pull up an article that literally says Morgan Stanley issues margin calls, that's not, oh my God. See, I can't deal with people like you. And then Credit Suisse comes out and says the same thing. So they issued margin calls too. So you can unsubscribe, you can leave, it's fine. But if you want the best information and the best trading strategy, like you're gonna be missing out. 300% on TLT calls. There you go, buddy. And the other thing is like, do you want people finding out about AMC or not? Like, come on. Like, you can go if you want. It's perfectly fine. Let's see. T, the shills are upset. Yeah. I think you pushed that too much. That's all. Dude, they literally just did it. They literally said it like articles, many articles, reports, bonds go to zero. They margin called them. What okay, what do you want me to say? Hey, in my title, AMC, Morgan Stanley decreased the value of the bonds, and then they said, hey, give us more money. What? All right, we're done with this. Let's see here. Like, this is just silly. This is just silly. All right, AMC 1836 coming down a little bit here. Kind of chilling here. Your videos have been saying that for months. Okay. When stocks go up boatload, people do get margin called. I think you're thinking of margin calls as of, oh my God, squeeze. No, it's not how it works. There's danger zones. There's different danger zones. If you run through a danger zone, there's going to be margin calls sent out. Typically, you don't see them like notices like that. Like Morgan Stanley saying that is very, very wild. Like wild that they said that. Amy coming down now, 1831. So that's a very, very big deal. Very big deal. Yeah, everybody's always going to hate on something. Paper handed your spy Putin's? Nah. Let's see here. Here's the 1820, 1830 support test. Watch closely. Yeah, if it falls through there, that would not be ideal. All right, Ung is holding here with the spy coming down. Big Pharma has passed the baton to military contractors. Yeah. You just noticed some clickbait titles on some of my videos. Okay, here's the deal. When you make a title and a thumbnail, there's a you have to get people to click on it. Like you say it like it's a bad thing. Every single time that I've put out a title that's like sort of questionable, that people are like, clickbait. It's like everything in there I go through very, very simply. So it's just the people that are like, "Grr." It's like you just didn't watch. It's fine. Like you can come in here and have that opinion. Just don't watch my videos if you don't want to. It's perfectly fine. 1843 on AMC over here. Spy still moving down. Ung just kind of chilling. Just logged on. I hate shorts. Me too. And it's not if it's true. If I literally said shorts covered AMC going to a million, that's clickbait, bro. Like if I say big margin calls going out and Morgan Stanley's like, oh yeah, we sent out margin calls, like that's not at all. Like, come on, dude, get out of here. Let's see. Ankles is the biggest. Yeah. All right, people. Yeah. Also, for everybody filtering in right now, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Oh, Spy's coming down here. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Let's see. All right, hold on. Did he send the link yet? Nah, no link yet. Let's see here. He started ankles only. SDB said it. AMC borrow rate increase. Not really, Mitch. It does say that sort of on Stonko Tracker where it's like it went up to 1%, but like that's nothing. Like that's zero. I think we had it over. Yeah, it's at 1% right now on Stonko Tracker. UVXY printing. I bet it is. Spy's coming down. Where's TLT? I mean, my TLTs are probably doing pretty good. TLT's not getting that big of a pop. GME coming down. AMC coming down. Oh my God, why did I paper him the spy puts? Because I just didn't care. I just was like, I don't want it. Like I was like, I don't really want that. I don't know. Where's natural gas? I do have a big natural gas position right now, and it's sucking wind. Can we get cleaner alert system? Over half the alerts are on the wrong side of the 200 EMA. That's where you gotta come in and look and be like, "Yeah, we can't." Like, it's I don't think we can do it in a way. Wow, SPY, giant candles to the downside. You might be right. You might be right. It hit the stop though, so oh, hold on. UNG is coming down to the stop. What do you think about UU? Isn't that uranium? I think that's uranium. Micron puts? Fuck. It's fine. It's fine. I already crushed it today. It's fine if I miss one. I'm still holding the Ungs, waiting on it. Waiting on Ung to come back to life. Watch SPY just bounce here. Yeah. All right. Ung is like ready. It's like in the next 20 minutes, I think Ung is ready for a little bit of a move up or down. Like it's gonna do something here. My Putin's I DM'd you. Oh boy, Ben. I bet you're crushing it. Oh, there you go, Ben. There you go. That is solid. You still holding those SPY puts? No. Damn it, you guys are making me YOLO. Do I just like really hit it hard on the ask? Just like YOLO it hard. Just like really slap the ask on some giant SPY put position. If it bounces up to the 13 EMA, I'll hit it. Let's see here. 1604 on Ung. Let me see here. I mean, it's still good over here. Jesus Christ. Keith, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Jeez, that was massive, bro. I really, really appreciate that. Dude, many YouTubers do use clickbait in sus ways. You watch the video and literally they don't mention the clickbaity subject. It has little to nothing to do with AMC. You are one of the few whose titles match with content. That's why I'm here. You rock. Keith, dude. I appreciate that, man. That was a giant super. Man, you didn't have to do that, buddy. Thank you so much. All right. Ung is being an asshole. SPY's coming down. Oh, yeah. I only would have made like $50 on my SPY put. Happy squirrel DM. Appreciate that. Keith is right, though. Yeah, thank you, guys. Thank you. I appreciate that. All right. Ung is still holding. What are these contracts at? Are they hitting the stop yet? Nah, they're hovering. They are hovering here. Nah, it's about to hit it. It's about to hit it. SCB actually the best streamer. Appreciate it. All right. It's just hovering on this 13 EMA on the 5-minute, man. All right, SPY's coming down. UVXY is probably looking. Did UVXY get a cross just now? I thought it was looking for a cross. Nah, UVXY is just printing. What's with the big doom on the SPY? I haven't seen any news. WTI surges above 105 a barrel for the first time. Oh, did it just do it? Oh, here we go. Where's Oxy? That's not it. Oxy. Yeah. Oh, no. Interesting. USO. Hold on. I think they're gearing up for a move. USO's moving. And freaking natural gas is not doing shit. Damn, I should have went with USO. USO's the winner. Ung, are you being a poopy head now? Yeah, Ung's being a poopy head. All right. USO is looking really strong, man. Like, they're a little expensive, but like USO's print. Oh my God. WTI crude is up 10%. I might have to get more Oxy right now. Like, this is drunk that Oxy's not moving on this. Like, absolutely. Where's Boyle? Oil's probably spiking. No, this is so strange. Natural, everything's starting to come up here. Crude is coming up. Brent oil. Dude, WTI crude's up 10% right now. Where's Ung? I might just wait for this and just, yeah. Oh, I'm holding the shit out of this. All you need is love. Appreciate that super. How do you feel about UVXY puts for next week? Oh, you want to short the VIX, huh? I'd be careful with it just because I think I think it's going to be a little bit of a wonky move in the SPY. I wouldn't hold anything overnight, in my opinion. If you like it though, and you think the volatility is going to settle down, I mean, run it. You have USO calls still. There you go, Ben. William, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Do I have to compete with Keith? Lies. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. Haven't you ever heard $50 is $50? I have heard that. I have heard that a few times. Not in like the way that you guys think, but you know. Still subscribe. Good luck, Vix. Old Moser. Appreciate it, buddy. Oh, these are so close to getting stopped. Dude, I think this is gonna go nutty. Yeah, I think okay. Where is Oxy right now? What else? Exxon. XOM. Is it running? Yeah, Exxon just got a cross here. So dude, oil is going freaking nuclear today. What can we do? Oxy's not moving. USO is moving good. Just everybody start calling oil and natural gas stocks right here. Like, what do we got? Like Exxon, CVX. Like, what do we got going on? IMPP. Like, what's that? Is this running now? No, IMPP is not running. What's this doing? Like, trying here. Let's see. Amy, SPY coming down. I don't know. I just think these natural gas ones, like, it's gonna start to move up. COP. Hook up. This one's running a little bit. MRO. Finna pump. I think so. Marathon Oil. None of them are moving right now. Gush and Boil. Gush is not moving either, I don't think. It's just not reflecting yet. Slap it with your 1348. Chevron CVX. Yeah, I know, but they're not moving. Like, look, like, all of them are just hanging out right now. Like Chevron, little pop, but like, dude, this is insane. Now it's at 106, bro. Oh, WTI crude's at 106. Is USO running? USO's probably still running. Yeah, USO's getting a little bit of a pop here. UNG is starting to come back to life. No, that's USI. Let me see what I can get on USO. I want to spend. I know what I want to spend on it. And let me see if I can get something cheap. I don't think I can. Oh, I actually can a little bit here. It's chilling a little bit here. SPY's coming back up. And okay, so it's settled down a little bit. Maybe I'll just leave it with the UNG and just don't try to chase. But yeah, it hit 106. Like, Oxy's starting to move. Yeah, I think they're all starting to move, man. Let's see here. Where is it now? 106 flat. Dude, I want it so bad. I just don't think it's gonna go. Exxon crossed up. Did it? Yeah, but dude, I'm shocked that nothing's moving right now. Where is natural gas? Yeah, here it comes there. Don't chase. But dude, it's up 106 flat. WTI crude's up 10.72%. UNG is coming back to life here with natural gas is coming up with it. So natural gas could be the lagger and just go. Okay. SPY flickering here. UNG crossed up on the 1 minute. You're printing on Exxon. Slowly moving here. Didn't really cross up on the 5. Let's see here. Also, guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. That was a weird oil move. So let's see what natural gas is going to do. Yeah, UNG might start to go here. USO dropping. How? This is like that one day when I was like screaming about how Oxy should be moving and it wasn't. And then right at the end of the day, it moved. So I'm going to hold these UNGs and crude oil hit 106.29. Jesus, dude. We paper handed my outputs. I lost money instead of making money. Hey, I mean, it's fine if you're still green on the day. Like, I'm still up a lot. I mean, the Lockheeds were drunk. Where's Lockheed right now? 5 yet? Nah, came back down. So SPY moving down here. GLD shot up. Yeah, GLD is popping a little here. Biden and Europe will release oil reserves. Don't chase oil. No, they already did. I think they already said that they were releasing oil reserves. 105.58 here. Natural gas is holding. Natural gas might be the winner. Do that thing I know you can do. TLT. Uh-oh. Hold on. What's TLT doing? Nah, it's just holding here. I mean, the strangle's still good. I'm not getting anything else on TLT. I'll leave UNG up, though, for a little bit. Oxy down. So strange, man. So strange. Let's see, Gabe sent the link. Oh, okay, cool. Let's see here. Was there news for the SPY? What's causing this? I mean, I think it's just more fear. More fear. Let's see here. Steven, dude, thank you so much for the super chat. I appreciate that, man. Don't know how much gas stocks are going to move on oil prices. If they have to pay more for oil, they charge more, may lower demand hurting profits. Right. That's why you got to look at something that's like taking it, like producing oil. So like Oxy or United States Oil. There goes UNG. Come on now. Come on. We back into the green on them yet? Down 4% still. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a pop on UNG here. We don't need no stinking reserves. Yeah. Adobe starting to cross down. Could be one that is a late popper. Interesting. Yeah. Here comes UNG now. Here it comes. Let's see if we can break that high. If it does, watch 1620 and then make its way up to 1650. Yeah, guys. Also, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. I mean, we're cranking today. All right, here it goes. Finally, where's natural gas over here? Yep, natural gas up 4% now. Crude is at 105.59. So natural gas could be the runner here. Mullen puts finally up 10%. Their option chain is whack. Yeah, that's IV. That's all IV, just killing you. Got them uncalls. I mean, I got them right here. They're flat right now. I'm hoping that that's going to be a big gain. I got 10 contracts on it. Spent a little bit. I just like it with these moves that we're seeing. SPY coming down and UNG going up. I like this. So let's see here. Super Coley, what's up, buddy? How you doing? Boil popping? Yep. I think it's about to start to go. I think. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see here. All right, folks. What do we got? If AMC goes up, calls go burr. If it goes down, IV crush on both. Somebody AMC lotto calls. Good luck. All right, there goes on. Come on, pal. Let's go. Let's make some money. VIX at 33. Jesus. Oxy still down. Lockheed dropping. Yeah, I'm not touching any more Lockheed today. I really crushed it today. Shouldn't we see a run on Mare and Riot with crypto running? Is it running now? Go on, quit playing around. It's playing with our hearts over here. Oh, it just got a little bit of a buy signal on the STC. So that's not any financial advice. That's just me looking at it like, okay, I made the right choice. 17 plus. If UNG hits 17, I'll go fucking bananas. It's holding here. 105.69 on crude. Natural gas up 4%. I think it's time. VIX at the high. Yeah, UVXY. All right, we're like 3 cents off the previous day high for UNG. It easily can do candles like this where it just goes boom. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. All of a sudden, people are going to start to see what's going on, and then they just fly into these stocks really quick, and they just start to go. So that's kind of what I'm waiting on here. I don't understand how natural gas is running, considering Russia provides a lot of Europe natural gas. Well, it's a supply issue. If there's no supply anymore, the prices go up. You're going to have to pay more for it. That's how kind of I view that. We're sitting at on 350 years of natural gas, 250 years of oil, and 300 years of coal. Dems playing politics. Okay, maybe. TLT boom. Yeah, SPY coming down. That TLT strangle is going to be nutty, I think. Oh, man. Yeah. Yep. All right, let's see what we got here. The TLT strangle now. The call side is up 200%, and the put side is just holding at basically dead. So this is good right now on TLT. I'm probably going to give it a couple of days leading up into either. Whoa. SPY coming down. Definitely paper handed those puts. Where's UNG? Okay. UNG looking good here on this SPY move. Honestly, there's probably better plays to be playing right now than natural gas. That Micron cross that we had is probably looking really spicy. Those SPY puts that I had earlier, probably looking really spicy too. But let's see here. What time is it? Oh, all right, guys. That is going to wrap up the morning stream. I will be back on at 1:15, and we are going to stay on all the way through earnings. So make sure you guys are ready. We're crushing it today. We're having some fun. SPY's coming down. If you got puts, good job. Let's see if we can hit this UNG. That would be pretty sweet if natural gas wants to continue going to the upside, which I mean, it's up big right now. It's still up 4%. Oil's at 105.64. Everything's looking pretty good. Again, guys, I'm going to be going onto the private Discord stream right now. So if you guys do want access to that, or if you guys are premium members, make sure you guys check that out too. The link is already out in the Discord for everybody. So make sure that you guys are ready for that. And it's the best time of the month to join the premium part to get all access to everything. So make sure you guys are ready for that. Also, guys, thank you so much for all the support that you've been giving me. If you don't mind, hit that like button on the way out. Shout out to all of the new members, the existing members, the mods. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys so much for all the support. I'll see you guys in a little while. Other than that, everybody, peace.